So see here, we are going to start with the concept called as agricultural income. In 10 papers, 7 to 8 papers of Income Tax Act will contain a question from agricultural income. So, probability of coming in examination will be somewhere around 70% to 80%. Means important or unimportant? Most important concept in many ways. Even in real life, most of the assessees you see outside, India is economy which the backbone is based on agriculture. Therefore, every examination, either MCQs or descriptive, one question will definitely come from agricultural income area. First of all, understood the point or not? Agricultural income concept is one of the most important concepts in your syllabus. After agricultural income, we will directly go into the heads of income called as income from house property. Once income from house property is completed, we will go into the mega head in the entire Income Tax Act called as profits and gains from business or profession, the biggest one, and a 14 marks problem will come in exam from that. How many marks? 14 marks is the weightage of that chapter called as a PGBP, profits and gains from the business or profession. When we come into that concept, I will start from the basics again, such that everyone will be able to understand. Shall we begin with agricultural income first? Yes, listen. Agricultural income, everyone please concentrate. Agricultural income, when I say, there are two words. Agriculture, income. What is income is defined in section 2 class 24. 18 subclasses are there. We are not required to discuss about all those now. But try to understand agricultural income. There are two words here. One is? Second one is? Income. Agriculture is not defined in Income Tax Act. Defined or not defined? Defined, not defined. Not defined means take always two meanings. Meaning number one, dictionary meaning. Meaning number two, court cases. Number one? Number two? See, always remember, being a student of law, we already read in the basics of law. Basics of law, not basics of income tax law. Basics of law. Whenever definitions are there, definitions will define the terms. Agriculture defined, person defined, income defined. There are definitions in Income Tax Act. For all the new students joined, I will tell you one point, remember at least. Income Tax Act has 298 sections totally. Everyone repeat how many? 298. Loudly. 298. In that, section 2, which section? Section 2. Contains definitions. So many definitions are there. 48 definitions are there. In that 48, agriculture is not defined. Defined? Not defined? Not defined. Agriculture is not defined means, what is the lawmaker intention? Lawmaker intention is very clear. No one can explain what is agriculture. Repeat. Explain what is agriculture can't be defined. It is you can only feel agriculture. Simply, agriculture is not an activity actually. Agriculture is a lifestyle. Therefore, lawmaker thought that agriculture is a term which can't be defined so easily. Therefore, in normal life, ordinary life, what is agriculture? That is agriculture also here. Sir, I will give you 2-3 examples, you tell me. I have a farmland. I have paddy seeds with me. I will clean the land, okay, deworm the land, make it fit for agricultural. Listening? I will put the seeds, water it, crop will grow, paddy will grow, harvest will come in January month, Sankranti time. Understood? Harvest will come, take that seeds out of it, polish the rice grain, sell in the market. What is this entire thing happened? Agriculture. Hey, are you understanding or not? What is this all? I have a very big field. In that field, I put sugar cane grown up, It took 7 months for sugarcane to grow. Cut the sugarcane, sell it in the market. What I have done now? Agriculture. Understood? Fertilizers I applied. Agricultural activity. Pesticides I applied. Agricultural activity. Understood? Worms and other pests has to be removed. For that some activity was done. Agricultural activity. Tractors and other machines are employed into the farmland to plow the land. Agricultural activity. Labor came inside and started working on that. Agricultural activity. Sowing the seeds inside the land. Agricultural activity. Watering the land on regular basis. Agricultural activity. Like this, if I tell, India, how many kinds of agricultures are there? Infinite possibilities are there. Hey, I am talking to you, everyone. Yes, how can I define infinite possibilities in a definition? Therefore, the term agriculture is defined, not defined. Nowhere defined in Income Tax Act. Whenever, remember everyone in the class, whenever you are reading any law, not just income tax, any law, you found that there is a term and the term is not defined in the act. Immediately, two options you have. Number one, dictionary meaning you give. Open a dictionary, authentic one, read what is the definition of agriculture there. Apply that. Listening? Or go to the case laws. Go to the case laws. Read. For example, there are so many cases where, though definition is not defined in the act, court cases, when the matter goes to the court, court will define the meaning of the term. Who will define? Court. Loudly, who will define? Court. Court will define. Court will define what? Meaning of the term. So, see, whenever there is a term defined in section 2, take that definition as it is. There is a term not defined anywhere in the act. Defined or not defined? Not defined. Then you have how many options? Loudly everyone. Option number 1. Go to option 1 is always a court case. Court case is also not there on that. Then go to the dictionary. So court versus dictionary means which should be given more importance? Loudly. Court decisions are more important. More weightage will be given to the court because courts will give judgment on the basis of a particular case, not generally. Therefore, court versus dictionary meaning, which is more weight? Loudly. There is one chapter in your law, corporate and other laws. One chapter called as interpretation of statutes. Which one? In that interpretation of statutes chapter, dictionary definitions, one answer will be there. In the dictionary definitions only what I said will be available. So did you understand what I said? Yes, which definition? Loudly. Generally the terms will be defined in the, start again. Generally if there is a technical term that will be defined in the act itself. Defined in the act itself. If it is defined in the act, is there any need to go for court case law? Is there any need to go for dictionary definitions? No. Apply what is defined in the act. If act do not define, then you have two options. Option 1, court. Option 2, dictionary. Court versus dictionary. Who will be given more weight? Court. That's it. Everyone understood? Reason I will tell you why court definitions give more weight. Reason is, court will define a term on the basis of the act. For example, Income Tax Act point of view, agriculture word will be defined in the court cases. Dictionary la what definition they will give? Generally what is agriculture they will give. Listening? Yes, contextual definition versus general definition, which will be given more importance. Contextually what is defined, we will give more importance to that. That's how the dictionary definitions will get lesser weightage when you compare with the court. So the first point, everyone, new students who joined today, did you understand what I said? Everyone? Now only the new students, you please answer. Whenever there is a technical term coming inside the act, where to refer first? Start again. Whenever there is a technical term given in the act, where to first check the meaning? In the act itself you check. Which section you need to go and check? It is not defined. Then go to court case laws. Court case laws also not there. Then go to, that's it. This is the process in which a 3-step procedure we need to follow. First act. Second step court case law. Third one will be dictionary. Did you understand what I said? Repeat again. Tell me what is the procedure. Whenever you wanted to learn the technical terms, tell me, what is the step number 1? Act. Act law not defined. Then go to court case law. Court case law is also there. Then go to dictionary definitions. Listening? For example, I will give you an example now. There is a definition defined by court, defined in dictionary also. Court versus dictionary, who will be given more importance? Loudly. Who will define in the context of a case? Court. Who will define in general? General versus specific. Who will be given important? Specific. Therefore, go to the court. Understood the point? Shall we start now the concept of agricultural income? This is all the basic that we need to understand before we start with the concept agricultural income. See the screen once. Agricultural income concept has 3 parts. Definition of agricultural income. Sir, you said defined, not defined. Agriculture not defined. Agricultural income is defined. Do you understand what I said? What is not defined? Agriculture not defined. Adi pakka agriculture term is not defined. What is defined? What is agricultural income is defined in the act. So agriculture not defined, agricultural income is defined. Second one is the conceptual analysis. Third one will be scheme of partial integration. This is most important for exam. Okay? The most important one will be scheme of partial integration. Today we will do that. Okay? Before going into any concept, first listen carefully. What is the concept we are going to start? Agricultural income. First one, definition. Second one, concept analysis. Third one, scheme of partial integration. These are the 3 components in which we are going to learn. Okay, let's begin. See here. Impact of agricultural income on the tax liability. See, first let me explain one point. Please everyone concentrate. In India, anything you wanted to do, Constitution of India should give a permission to do that. You are coming to the classes on a regular basis. Who gave that power? Constitution. Because right of education is given in fundamental rights. Because of the reason that our Constitution promoted education, you are getting education done, whatever the course you wanted to do. Are you listening what I said? You studied from lower kindergarten, LKG till 10th standard. Because right to education is one of the fundamental right of every citizen of India. Are you listening? Yes, sir. Second, everyone please concentrate. You are doing +1 and +2. Because right to do education is already there as a fundamental right. You are pursuing whatever courses you want. Because fundamental right is there. Listening? If something bad is happening, you are questioning. Because you are having a right against exploitation. Someone is forcing you to do something. You said no, because you are having a right of freedom. Who gave you all these rights? Answer? Same example I used to tell in the basics also. Same thing in some countries you can't have. North Korea is a classic example of a country where, North Korea you know na? So in that area, you don't have fundamental rights. People don't have right of freedom. People don't have right of speech. People don't have right to education. People don't have right of against exploitation. Understood? There, freedom is not there. Right against exploitation not there. Freedom of speech is not there. Right to education is not there. There are not there. Because who did not provide? Their constitution did not give that power. Now tell me, in India if you are living peacefully because of constitution. That's why constitution always plays a crucial role in India. Understood the point? So democracy equal to constitution in India. We are enjoying that democracy means what? Rule by people. Rule by? I will elect whom I want. Okay, that power came itself from what? Constitution. So now let us go into constitution and do some basic analysis. Listen. What is the backbone of Indian economy? Now that backbone is slowly weakening. L1, L2 damages came. Okay, into that spinal cord some problems are there now. That agriculture. But still even today 56% of the total Indian economy is based on agriculture. Listening? Huh? See, agricultural income being one of the primary sector from where the revenue is coming into India, we need to acknowledge certain facts. Point number 1. Farmers do not make abnormal profits. Repeat the statement what I said. Do not make abnormal profit. They don't make abnormal profits. Okay? They make only normal profits in their life. Huge profits they made, they will not make. Therefore, Government of India through Constitution said that any government, repeat, any government has no power to tax agricultural income. Tax? So, agricultural income in India is a taxable or not taxable? Taxable or not taxable? Not generally not taxable. Agricultural income is a exempt income. Repeat everyone. Taxable or not taxable? Not taxable. Because who prohibited taxation of agricultural income? Constitution. Please see there. The union government and the central government doesn't have powers to tax agricultural income. But which agricultural income? Indian agricultural income. Wide entry 82 list 1 and entry 46 list 2 of schedule 7 of the Constitution. Forget about entries and other nonsense. Just remember Constitution. Okay? Now tell me. Which government? At a state or central? Have or doesn't have? Doesn't have what? Power to impose? Tax on what income? Which kind of agricultural income? Who prohibited government to impose that power? So tell me, in India, agricultural income is taxable, not taxable? Government can't impose tax on agricultural income. Now question, sir, over sir chapter. Agricultural income, not taxable. Answer over. Then why? See. See. Wait. To be continued. Do you know what? See here, yeah. 7-8 pages I scrolled, na? Till now we are reading definition of agriculture income. Now completed definition. Illustrations we will do in the class. That's why I also left space. I will also do along with you. Next comes the main danger. Then we will start doing grand illustrations on artificial intelligence. What is AI? Agricultural income. Second one, SOPI means what? Scheme of partial integration. On this grand illustrations from Bhagavad Gita. Okay, grand illustration means not normal. Yeah, question itself will be for 3 pages. Do one question. Show me any book in India which has such question. Lifetime settlement for you. If you show a question like that. Okay, I will do 6 questions I will do in agriculture income. How many? 6 questions. 6 golden questions, agriculture income. Do all the 6. Then take 60 new questions you will solve. But do those 6 questions properly. Because that 6 questions, what I have taken from this Bhagavad Gita will contain all kinds of scenarios. So how many types of agriculture income can be roasted in exam? All the roasted scenarios we will contain and we will do in the class so that you will get full clarity. Sorry, anyway, first of all, agricultural income, sir, if it is exempt, then why we are discussing all this? Agriculture income, taxable or not taxable? Not taxable. Over. Chapter completed. Let's go to house property. So, But not like that. Now 6 marks, 7 marks questions are coming in exams. Some kirikiri government is doing. What is that kirikiri? That's what we have to understand. That observation a student has to make. How agricultural income is becoming taxable in India. Though agriculture income is not taxable, it is taxable. Not directly, but indirectly they are taxing agricultural income. Reason I will tell you, sir, you only said government is soft corner on farmers. Then what is this, sir? Yes, I am coming to that point only. Listen. Shall we? Yes, sir. Listen. I will explain why there is a need for taxing agricultural income indirectly. Why? Because of all of us. We are dangerous people or non-dangerous? Abba? Non-dangerous. Who is not dangerous here? We will pay tax, we will cheat government. See, shameless fellows, how many people are there? Shamelessly they are telling we are there to cheat the government, including me. So, the main point you have to understand is, we don't want to pay tax in India. Therefore, what they are doing, agricultural income is a taxable or not taxable? Not taxable. Answer? Not taxable. Okay, see, there is one, this joke you should take normally only, don't take it seriously. Okay. What happened is, Motor Vehicles Act is there. Which act? Motor Vehicles Act. Motor Vehicles Act, they have clearly said that people who are differently able and handicapped for any case. Okay. Handicap for any case if they are, they can use a 3-wheeler vehicle. You know, a 3-wheeler vehicle you might have seen. Because they can't control it, because they are differently able, they could not do. They can use a 3-wheeler vehicle, correct or not? No. There is a rule in Motor Vehicles Act, because we don't read Motor Vehicles Act. So generally out of curiosity, I used to read 1 or 2 points when a person say. Motor Vehicles Act, what they said is, when there is a 3-wheeler vehicle going, police should not stop them at any cost on the road. Even though they are checking any license or something, they should not check whom? 3-wheeler vehicle. I need 3-wheeler means don't say, na auto car 3-wheeler. Okay. So I am not talking about that. I am talking about bike riders who are differently abled. Understood? Then one fellow don't have license with him. He wanted to go. Okay. Then he took the 3-wheeler vehicle. He is completely abled. Do you understand my point or not? Now he is sitting in the 3-wheeler vehicle. What anyone will think? Maybe he is a differently able, he could not manage the 2-wheeler, that's why he is taking it. Answer, yeah? Yes, now tell me, that 3-wheeler vehicle is a agricultural income. Understood? In the light of that 3-wheeler, this non-agricultural income is going. Do you understand the point clearly? And actually, really if you speak, it is a non-agricultural, agricultural. Non-agricultural. But sitting in the shoes of, they will pretend as if it is an agricultural income. Government wanted to catch these kind of people. These people are more in India. Understood the point clearly or not? So therefore what government thought, I should not leave you. So whenever person say agricultural income, first catch that fellow. Ask whether in what form he got that agricultural income. Okay? Or else what people are doing, I will give you quite good examples you can understand. See, I will start a fertilizer shop in Hyderabad city. Fertilizer, pesticides, fertilizers. Carbide will be there, na? Carbide powder will be there. It will be spill on all the plants, such that they will grow faster in an artificial way. Pests also will die, because eventually we also die. After consuming it, we only will die. No. The elephant size human being dying means insect will not die, it will also die. So insects will die, eventually we also die. So I am doing that business in Hyderabad city, example. Okay. Now answer, where fertilizers and pesticides are used? Answer, yeah? On for food, like pudi. You will put on ghee, you will eat, no kada? So where you will use it on plants. Plant is automatically coming under which activity? Agriculture activity. See, I will start a fertilizer pesticides company. I will do huge business in Hyderabad city. I will tell that my fertilizers and pesticides are used in agricultural activity. Therefore, income generated out of that sale is agricultural income. Government say, did you wear leather slipper? Yes. Remove it first. Hit. See, that's the problem of the government. People are saying whatever, anything incidental to agriculture, they will tell it is a agricultural income. Therefore, the term agricultural income is defined in the act. So, did you understand what I said? Why agricultural income definition has to be defined in the act in the first place? The reason is very simple. If you don't define what is agricultural income in the definition, everyone will tell, this is an agricultural activity. Listening, Then this academy will start its branch in agricultural farmland. Hey, listening, There is one agricultural land, near this place. In that agricultural land, they will construct a 4-floored building. In that classes will be taken for CS students. Income generated is in agricultural land. Therefore, the income generated by this institute is what income? Hey, now you are fine-tuned to the fraud. Now do you understand the problem to the government or not? And what they will do? They will touch that agricultural income and tell agricultural income. Therefore, government of India is scared because of people. That's why they defined the term agricultural. What is agricultural income? I will define first. Into the definition, are you falling? Yes. Then it is an agricultural income. Into this, aren't you falling? No. Then it is not an agricultural income. Understood the point? And now let us understand the example. See, there is a agriculturist, a farmer, A. There is a businessman, B. This A farmer has a fertile land where crops are growing very nicely. He generated 20 lakh rupees of agricultural income. How much? 20 lakhs per annum. Okay? Now tell me, this is what income for him? Loudly. This is a agricultural income. Okay. Now, B is a businessman doing manufacturing business. Which business? Manufacturing business. Let us say manufacturing of, say for example, manufacturing of laptops. Unrelated to agriculture or related to agriculture? Related or unrelated? Unrelated to agriculture. Listening everyone? Now what he will do is, he will generate income out of sale of laptops or not? Yes, answer. Yes, now he will do a kirikiri. How? Listen carefully. See there. He will purchase small agricultural lands in India. Not big again. Not even an acre. Small agricultural lands they will purchase. My clients are they are doing like this, to be very frank. But shamelessly we have to do that. We are forced to do this. Or else they will go away. They will tell another person will do this. Why to unnecessarily lose revenue? We only should do. So listen carefully. So, my client should not see this video. First they will kill me if they see. So see here, there is a person called as B. That B will be doing manufacturing of laptops or sale of laptops, something he will do. He will generate good income out of it. Okay? Now listen. In this income, two parts, black, white. Invoice, some laptops will be sold. Without invoice also they will sell some laptops. Clear? Without invoice they will send a black money. Now they will use these agricultural lands as a medium. What they will do? They have small agricultural lands. Everyone. Yes, let us say this agricultural land is half an acre. Half an acre means it's not even useful for agriculture properly. Understood or not? So, half an acre agricultural land he will have. This agricultural land is in Hyderabad outskirts. This is somewhere in Chennai outskirts. This is somewhere in a rural area in Tamil Nadu. This is in a rural area in Andhra Pradesh. Some rural, some urban, like that, small bits and pieces, like he will purchase agricultural land. Listening? Now, How much acres? Half acre. Half acre. How much revenue will generate? Hardly 1 lakh rupees he may get per annum. Per annum. How much farmers will earn revenue in a year? Hardly 4-5 lakhs if they do properly. Understood or not? So hardly 1 lakh revenue will come with half acre of land. Maximum put together, how much I can generate from all my lands? 5-6 lakh per annum I can generate. Hello? Yes, now what this idiot will do, this client will do is, he will tell, from this agricultural lands all put together, I am having 14 lakhs agricultural income. He will claim. Anyway, agricultural income is not taxable. Na? He will claim 1 crore 40 lakhs also if you leave him. Are you understanding or not? 14 lakhs. 14 lakhs. Loudly, 14 lakh. Then he will tell this black money 14 lakhs is there. Na? That 14 lakhs came from agriculture. And he will book them in the books of accounts and make 14 lakhs of black money into white money, saying that this income is what income? The problem for the government. Means a provision which came for the benefit of farmers is used for the benefit of some businessmen in India. Understood or not? That's why Government of India introduced one concept called as scheme of partial integration. What is the name of the concept? Scheme of partial integration. Through this scheme of partial integration, what they will do is, though it look like agricultural income is not taxable and being exempted, indirectly they will tax agricultural income in India. Do you understand the point or not? How they indirectly tax is a subject matter of discussion we are going to make in the class. Up to here, did you all understand what is the need for agricultural income discussion or not? Yes, sir. From this, what is the moral of the story you understand? What moral of the story you understand after listening to this example? One important point you should understand. Shall I tell you that? If you have only agricultural income, it is completely exempted. When you have non-agricultural and agricultural, government wanted to catch you. Asal, are you understanding what I said or not? First case, who is he? First case, who is the fellow? Yeah? A is whom? How much income? 20 lakhs. Even if it is 200 lakhs, even if it is 2 lakh crores, exempted. Because your income is only agricultural income. Your income is only 100%, it is not taxable, exempted. When problem will come to the government? When you are not just having agricultural income, and you are not just a farmer, don't project yourself as a farmer, you are not that. You are a businessman who also have agricultural properties. Then government wanted to catch you. Are you understanding the point? From these two examples, do you understand the idea behind the law or not? If you have only, bad response. If you have only, I have 2000 crores agriculture income. 100% exempted. Don't pay zero tax. No tax. Exempted. Fully exempt. 10(1). Section 10, clause 1. Exempted. When government will put eye on you, you are not just a farmer, you are a businessman, and you are also doing farming in India, or you are projecting that you are doing a farming, government will catch you. Understood the point or not? Yes, that's the idea behind the scheme of partial integration. A super concept here. Once you understand the concept, so many income tax returns processed in India you will understand, because almost every businessman in India are having agricultural income. Listening? In my office, somewhere around 100 plus clients are there. At least 70 plus are having agricultural income, including me. I am also having agricultural properties. So, not for this reason. Normally, I am having agricultural properties. Understood the point or not? Not for this reason. Yeah, I am a very nice fellow. Yeah. Like this, you should not think. So, point is, I think you now understood the idea behind the department in bringing agricultural income to taxability or not. Now tell me the conclusion and then we will start. Agricultural income in India is exempted. Agricultural income in India is exempted. But when government will partially, indirectly tax, when a person is having both agricultural and non-agricultural income. Both agricultural and then government will start thinking about a person. Genuine or non-genuine, I don't know. I have to go inside the details. That's how we are going to do problems on the agriculture income, such that you will get a clarity on what we are doing. Do you understand what I said now? For that, first and foremost thing that we need to understand is, please see here once. Read. This is clarified in the act. What is clarified in the act? Agricultural income is exempted. This is clarified in the act also, section 10(1), which exempts. Most important is the 3 and 4. You know already. Read. Though agricultural income is exempt, its presence will enhance the rate at which non-agricultural income is taxed. Next. Scheme of partial integration is used for determination of tax on cultural income, where assessee has agricultural income also. First of all, everyone understood all the 4 points clearly? Yeah? Yes, keep the heading agricultural income, write the notes. Show some urgency in writing. Fastly write down the answer. Keep the heading agricultural income. So 3 segments we are going to discuss: definition, conceptual analysis, and scheme of partial integration. First 2 points completed. Completed writing? Everyone completed writing up to here? Done. Next one. So schema partial integration is used for determination of tax on non-agricultural income where assessee has agricultural income also. So if you have only agricultural income, schema partial integration has nothing to do. Do you understand? If you have only agricultural income, schema partial integration has nothing to do. If you have only non-agricultural income, all this chapter don't get attracted. When problem will come? If you are having both agricultural and non-agricultural income, then the problem will start. Understood the point clearly? So now let us try to understand the definition of what is agricultural income. Section 2, clause 1A. Listen, don't write. Let me first explain. It takes time to explain the definition in a proper way. See the screen once. Those who joined the class recently, freshly the DT classes, we will read the entire direct taxes from the Bare Act. Okay? Bare Act means act approved by the Parliament directly. Act approved by Parliament directly. The original content of income tax will be there here. So this document. Listening, your seniors who are sitting after you, they know from where they can take the extract of Bare Act. You can ask them during the break time, they will tell you. As of now, nothing required. Please see the screen. Okay? Let me make it full screen. Let us read the text properly. Then you can do the questions. First one. Section 2, clause 1A defines what income? What income? Agricultural income means. Okay? Read. Agricultural income. Whenever means come in the definition, it means only. It means? Only means agricultural income la A, B, C are there. That's all. 3A agricultural income. You cannot add anything. You cannot remove the existing things. They answer everyone. How many things makes agricultural income? What are they? A, B, C. Can I add D? No. Can I remove B? No. You cannot remove anything. You cannot add anything. That's how the definition is. Means a definition. Already the old students, you know the basics already explained. For those who came new, listen carefully one more time. Whenever a definition contains the term means, it means only those should come. You have no right to add anything. You have no right to remove anything. Understood the point clearly? Yes, let us begin. Everyone start reading. What is Sir, one thing before going into that. Why we are reading this definition? Why we are reading this definition? No, bad response again. Why we are reading this definition? To understand. Nothing to understand here. Why we are reading agricultural income definition? Because people will tell they have some relation with agricultural land, some relation with, and they will tell that it is a agricultural income exempt from income tax. Therefore, they define what is, just now I told pesticides example. I will start a business of fertilizers and pesticides. Where I will use it? Agriculture. Therefore, I will tell income generated by sale of that pesticides and fertilizers, crores of rupee, I will tell that it is what income? Real, it's an agricultural income. No. Anything which has a indirect relation with agricultural land will not become agricultural income. No, I am talking to you. Yes, see, I will manufacture, listening? Yes, I will manufacture gunny bags. Gunny bags, yeah? Rice bags, you know? Yes, I will manufacture rice bags, gunny bags. What will be filled inside the gunny bag? Rice is what produce? I will tell that manufacturer of paddy bags, these jute bags, which will preserve rice, that income generated out of sale of the jute bags where rice is preserved is a agricultural income because agricultural produce is stored inside. Now do you understand the point or not? Do you know how illogical it will be? Tell me. In the phone, calculator will be there or will not be there? I think the calculator. Like that only your dirty logic is. Because jute bags la rice is filled, okay, sale of jute bag is a agriculture income means since phone has a calculator, phone is a calculator. Now do you understand my point or not? So tell me, what is the most important need now? Knowing what is agricultural income, or else nonsense will happen in India because people filled with nonsense. Do you know what they will do? They will manufacture tractors. Each tractor will be sold for 10 lakhs. They will tell that these tractors are used in agricultural land. Therefore, my income is a agriculture income. Give me exemption. No, we will not give even a single rupee exemption for sale of tractors used inside agricultural land. So that's why there is an imperative need for the department to define what do you mean by agricultural income, such that I will exempt only that part of income which falls within the definition to class 1A, subclass A, B, C. Shall we start now? Start. Read. Agricultural income means any rent or revenue derived from the land which is situated in India. Which is situated in India. One condition. And whenever I use the word and, it separate, two things are there. X and Y means both should be any one. Therefore, and always represents a conjunction. Or is a disjunction. And is a conjunction. That also you want me to teach. I know grammar, vocabulary, figures of speech. So tell me, and represents what? Conjunction. Means whenever two parts are separated by the word and, it is both the conditions or any one condition? So it's a lock between two things. Both should be satisfied together. Okay? And now tell me. Agricultural income means? Hey, everyone, see the screen. Read. Agricultural income means any rent or revenue derived from the land which is situated in India and is used for agricultural purposes. Take a minute time, read it properly. Okay? Did you read? Yes, sir. Tell me, what is derived? There is a land. From that land, what is generated? Rent. Normally, rent is taxable under which head of income? In our Income Tax Act, rent is taxable under which head? Loudly. Loudly. Other sources. Yes. ఇది ఎన్న ల్యాండ్లో హౌస్ వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ హౌస్ ప్రాపర్టీ ఇన్కమే హౌస్ ప్రాపర్టీలో ట్యాక్సబుల్. దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్కమ్ డిరైవ్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ల్యాండ్. ల్యాండ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ హౌస్. Income from vacant land comes under other sources. House property is only taxable under income from house property. That is the Income Tax Act. New creativity. So listen carefully. Tell me. Hey, listen. I will ask you to read one statement. Loudly you read. Read. Stop there, answer over. Building should be there in order to have house property taxability. Income from house property will get attracted if and only if buildings are there. We are reading about what in the agriculture income definition? Income derived from building, income derived from land. Loudly? Land. Then how come you will apply the provisions of house property? Then other sources. Sir, why sir other sources? Sir, rent can come in two ways. Rent can come in two ways. Rental income can come in two ways. Number one, rent can come in the form of letting of a property. Hey, this building is there. Academy has a building. This building is situated in some area in Coimbatore. I don't know what is the area. What is the area? RS Puram. In RS Puram there is a building. 4 floors, 3 floors. 4 floors building. 4 floors building will have a rent. Hey, answer. Yes, think from the owner point of view. Owner point of view think. Owner is collecting rent from land or rent from building. This will get attracted. Income from house property. Hello? Yes, because what is there? Building is already constructed. What is already constructed? Building is constructed. Therefore, income derived from that building in the form of rent will come under income from house property. Everyone up to here understood clearly? Yes, next, let's continue the example. I don't have any building. Vacant land is there. What land? Vacant land. From that what is coming? Rent is coming. Okay? It will not fit into PGBP. It will not fit into PGBP. It's not a profits are getting some business or profession. I'm not doing any business. I'm just renting it. Clear? Vacant land through if you get a rent, it is taxable under the head IFOS. What is the full form of IFOS? Income from other sources. Everyone repeat. IFOS. Income from other sources. IFHP. Income from house property. IFHP. Income from house property. IFOS. Income from other sources. There are two types. Income from other sources. Income from house property. Capital gain will come when you sell the property, not when you rent the property. You have to see, for example, the owner of this building sold this building to me. Now tell me, what is the income to him? Capital gain. It's not rental income. It's not a. It is a. It's not a. So tell me, I said you 3 points. Okay? I gave building on rent. My income will be. Very good. I sold this property. I got income. I have only land without a building. Income came. That comes under? Any clarity. Everyone understood the concept clearly? Yeah? Yes, so therefore, don't get confused in understanding. This is the way in which they wanted to convey. Let's go back to the main point. Section 2 class 1A. Start. Agricultural income includes a means. Means what? Means is only. Continue the definition. Any rent or revenue. One second. With building or without a building? Which is situated in India and used for agricultural purposes. How many conditions are to be satisfied? 3 conditions. First one, there is a rent or derived from land situated in India and land is used for not 3. How many conditions are there? 4. Tell me all the 4 conditions. rent or revenue derived from a land situated in India and is used for agricultural purposes. Means the land should be used for what purpose? What purpose? That's it. See, I am giving again one point. See. Idanna? Answer. This land was given to Reliance Smart to start a warehouse. To start a warehouse. To put their products, etc. Which land this is? Now tell me, income derived from rent from this Reliance Smart in the form of income what I get will be chargeable, will be taken as agriculture income or not? No, it will not. Because this is agricultural land in India but not used for agricultural purposes. Did you now understand the meaning of agriculture purpose or not? Just because of the reason that it is an agricultural land, revenue coming out of it or rent coming out of it will not become agriculture income. First you should use that land only for what purpose? Here Reliance Smart is using it for what purpose? Warehouse purposes. Warehouse is not agricultural purpose. Answer. This is how you need to understand. So tell me, what are all the 4 conditions to attract point A? Start. Number 1. It is a rent or a revenue derived from the land situated in India used for agricultural purposes. If all the 4 conditions are satisfied, then I will call it as a forget about agricultural income. Actually, these kind of incomes can come under which head of income? Start again. Everyone is not answering. Only 30% answered. Forget about agriculture income. Normally, these kind of vacant land, from there if you get the revenue, income, under which head it will become taxable? Answer? Keep it in mind. Okay? This is one way of agricultural income. How many kinds of agricultural incomes are there? 3 kinds. In that, how many kinds we completed? 1 kind. What is the first kind? Rent or a revenue derived from a land situated in India and used for agricultural purpose. Then we call it as? See, I am listening. I am getting a rent. I am getting rent per month or per annum, whatever the case may be. I am getting a rent that derived from a land. Derived from? Situated in USA. Used for agricultural purposes. It is an agricultural income or not an agricultural income? Not an agricultural income. Why it is not an agricultural income? Because it is situated in India or outside India? Outside India. Most important condition is that should be in India. Next. I am getting revenue from a land situated in India. Used for commercial purposes. Agricultural land, but used for commercial purposes. Agricultural income or not an agricultural income? Next. I am getting a rent. I am getting rent. Second, out of a building. Situated in India. That building, all agricultural commodities are kept as a cold storage. You are not listening. First tell me, I am getting a rent. Rent from building. Rent from building. In that building is situated in India. That building, what is stored? Agricultural produce is stored. You will see now when you are going from one city to another city, when you are crossing the cities, agricultural commodities will be stored in a cold storage houses. Very big buildings will be there. Listening? Yes, sir. I am putting there. Now tell me, income derived by that cold chain facility or cold storage facility will be agricultural income, not an agricultural income. Why it is not an agricultural income? Land is covered in this particular point, not the building. First of all, everyone understood the whole idea clearly? Yes, now tell me, income derived from building will come under the definition or will not come under the definition? Game over. So don't jump into conclusions so early. In this point, building is not covered. Understood? Let's come to C first. After that we will discuss about the remaining part. Please see the screen. Read. C point. Start. One second. Start again. Any income derived from any building owned and occupied. Sir, they can tell rent na. Why any income? Question will arise or not? Why any income, any rent they can use na? Building will generate rent or not? See, problem is rent will be having one meaning, lease will have another meaning. That's why any kind of income, you call it rent, you call it lease, you call any word. Whether it is an income or not, yes. Derived from a building or not, yes, that's it. Please see there. Start. Any income derived from any building owned and occupied by receiver of rent. Owned and occupied by receiver of? Rent. Okay. Owned or occupied and occupied? Owned or and? Okay. Any income derived from any building owned and occupied by receiver of rent or revenue of any such land or occupied by the cultivator or the receiver of rent in kind of any land in respect of which or the produce of which any process is mentioned in paragraph 2 and 3 of subclause B is carried on. Confusing na? That's why we need to read this one. Because to understand C point, first you need to know what is subclause B. In that 2 and 3 we need to understand clearly. Sorry. It might be confusing for everyone. So let me go very slow in understanding the next parts. First of all, you need to answer one question. Did you understand agriculture income clearly? Yes, A point understood or not? Yes, tell all the 4 conditions making agriculture income. Agriculture income equal to rent or revenue derived from a land situated in India used for agricultural purposes. Then I call it what income? Then I call it what income? Income. Next one. What is the second one? Now read. Take time, read it properly. Any income derived from such land. Very, very important is such. Land he did not tell. Such land he said. Means land already referred here. Means it should be a land situated in India used for agricultural purposes. This all conditions makes it such land. Those who joined today, you may not know how law has to be read. Word has a meaning. We should read it in a proper way. Understood? Start from the beginning. B point. Read. Stop again. Start from the beginning. Any income derived from land or from such land? Such land means which land? It should be a land area situated in India used for agricultural purposes. And in simple language, how can we tell Indian agricultural land? What? Answer. What land? Loudly. So such here represents Indian agricultural land. In our understanding, IAL means what? Indian agricultural land. First one, it should be a land used for agriculture, situated in India. So in short, we can call them as what? Indian agricultural land. Any income derived from such Indian agricultural land. Now doubt will come to you. Tell me. Sir, first one and second one is same, na sir? A point to B point looking same. There is also agricultural land. Here also agricultural land. In India, their rent, here also income. No. Tell me now. I'll ask a question. Please listen carefully, please. Very deep understanding is required on this. So concentrate properly. See the screen. What is this? Agricultural land. Which land? This agricultural land belongs to Kaushik Mukesh. Okay? Now what I have done is, listen carefully. I have given this land to Mr. A for rent. For rent. Okay? He is the cultivator. He is the cultivator. I have agricultural land, but I don't have agricultural ideology. Sir, most of the businessmen in India are having agricultural lands. Will they go and plow the land every day? Means what? 99% of the agricultural land owners are not farmers in India. Farmers are not owners. Understood the point or not? Farmers are not owners. Cultivators are not owners. Owners don't have agricultural knowledge. Knowledge on agricultural persons don't have land. That's called as Kali Yugam. Understood the point or not? Persons having good knowledge on agriculture don't own the land. Persons who own the land don't know how to do agriculture. Understood? See, I am having mango gardens in my city. Really also I have 8 acres land. Now you answer, yearly one time I will go during summer season to get the plant. Understood the point or not? During summer season, I will be getting the mangoes. At that time I will go. One time in a year I will go, hardly 2 times. If there is any problem we will go, or else we don't even go there. Yearly once I will go. Listening? Yes, sir. Now tell me, who did the seedings, who did the saplings, who put the water, who is taking care? I am taking care. I am not doing anything. I will give land to a person. Okay? I will give land to a person, to some person, some Mr. A I will give. Mr. A will take my land. 2 ways they will pay me rent. Number 1, every year they will pay me 1 lakh or 1.5 lakh rent they will pay for the land for using it. Listening? But generally agriculturists don't do like that, because farmers don't have cash. What they will do is, they will tell, sir, this is a 8-acre land. In this 8-acre land we can have around 200 mango trees. Listening? Each tree can give at least 30 mangoes in a year, maximum. Okay? Because we don't use any chemicals in that. 30 mangoes each tree can give. 30 in a year, 200 trees. How many mangoes will come? 6,000 mangoes. Correct? 6,000, 2,000 I will give you, 4,000 I will sell. I means cultivator. Really also they are doing that only every year to us. Listening? Land belongs to whom? Kaushik Mukesh is the owner of the land. But cultivator is not Kaushik Mukesh. Cultivator is Mr. A. So KM is the owner, A is the cultivator. Are you listening? Yes, use it for what purpose? Agriculture. Mango plantation is not a what purpose? Yeah? Agricultural purpose. So mango plantation is an agricultural purpose. Yes, understood? Yes, okay. Now tell me, agricultural purpose I used it. Okay? I means some other person is using it. From him what I am receiving every year? Not answering. Everyone. Who is receiving? KM is receiving rent from whom? You can receive rent in 2 ways. Number 1, cash. Number 2, kind. Number 1? Cash. Number 2, kind. Instead of paying in 2 lakh cash, I will give you 2,000 mangoes. How much mango produce came? 6,000. Bad response. How much mango produce came? 6,000. How much that cultivator will give me? 2,000. Loudly? 2,000 mangoes. 2,000 mangoes I will consume. I will die. So 2,000 mangoes hardly we will use, maybe because I am a huge fan of mangoes, maximum we may consume around 200 to 300 during that season, not per day. Okay, during that entire season, maybe for 1.5 months, we may consume daily 1 if you take or 2 if you take. Listening? Yes, so daily if you take 1, maximum 4 members in a family, or big family in a 5 or 6 may be there. Hardly 6, 30 days ki 180. Correct? Let's say 200 mangoes we will consume. Then what I will do with that remaining 1800? I will sell. Are you listening? Yes, mango market will be there. There we can put it in bags and we will sell commercial purposes. Income will be derived by me or not? Yes, that income is an agricultural income. That income is? Agricultural income. That income comes under point B. That income comes under? Point B. Now you should answer my question. Now you are thinking about KM. Now think about Mr. A. Who is Mr. A? How many mangoes totally came? 6,000. How much gave to KM? 2,000. That 2,000 is given for what? Rent in cash or rent in kind? Very good. Who is the owner? KM is the owner. Owner is receiving rent in cash or rent in kind? Sometimes may also be rent in, but I didn't see anywhere in my life because farmers don't have that much cash. Listening? They don't get proper sale price here. From where they will pay you cash? Ask them, they will give 100 paddy bags, but they can't give cash. That much cash rotation will not be there for agriculture. Listening or not? So they can't pay in cash. Obviously they will pay in kind. They will give me 2,000. How many are there with him? 4,000. What he will do with that 4,000? He will eat and die. What he will do? Sell. From that 4,000 he will get an income or not? That income also will come under this one. That's why any income derived from such land by by read third point directly. Stop. Sale by? And in our example, sale by A na KM? Answer. Next one. Sale by receiver of rent in kind. The owner, who is the owner here? KM is the owner. So now tell me, this comes under whose income? A's income. This comes under whose income? KM's income. From what? Or received by him. In respect of which no process has been performed. All those things okay. Did you now understand the definition in a clear way or not? Now tell me, what is there? Hey, what is there? Who is the owner? Is the owner. From that agricultural land, what is coming out? Mangoes or agricultural produce. How many? 6,000. In that 6,000, KM is receiving? 2,000 is received in the form of? Hey, what kind? Rent in kind. Half you will tell. Start again. What land is there? From this who is the owner of agricultural land? Who is the person cultivating the land? Mr. A. Now tell me. KM is the owner, but he don't have knowledge on agriculture. He don't have knowledge on agriculture. I will ask a question. If I have knowledge on agriculture, let us say, hey, farmer can own a land also, na? In extreme cases in India. There are so many farmers on other side of the coin where they are the owners and they are the cultivators, correct? In that case, comes under point 1 directly. Agriculture, no cultivator, no owner. I am the owner, I am the cultivator. Any income in agriculture will come to me. That will also come under point B. When there is a separation of cultivator and the real owner, point 2, 3 will come into picture. Are you understanding the point clearly? Yeah, to what extent I should believe your yes, I don't know. Tell the answer properly. What is this? Owner. He is the owner and cultivator. He is the owner and cultivator. Okay. I am the owner. I am the cultivator. Okay. Now tell me, will I get any rent? No. I will pay rent to me. Contract Act, first condition to have a valid contract is what? There must be minimum 2 parties to create a contract. Understood? I will not own and I will not pay rent to me. So question of rent will not come. Directly I will get only one income. What is that income? Agricultural income. That's why read point section number 2, class 1A, subclass B, item 1. Start. When I made tick marks, same sequence you should read. Agricultural income means any income derived from such land by agriculture. Now did you understand how to read? Tell me how to read. Any income derived from such land by agriculture. So income is derived by what? In this example, who is the owner? Who is the cultivator? Renter, no renter? Only one income. What is that income? Agricultural income. Comes under point A. So the point 1. Understood? Yes, second one. Not second one. Third one you read first. Tell me. Let us change the example slightly. Yaar came? Yaar see? Huh? Very good. How many? A is a cultivator. KM is a owner. A is a cultivator. How many mangoes produced during the year? 6,000. In that, how many goes to the hands of KM? 2,000. How many goes into the hands of A? 4,000. KM sold this 2,000 mangoes for each mango at 50 rupee, 10 lakh. This fellow sold at each mango at 50 rupee, 20 lakh. Tell me, what is this 10 lakh revenue? What is this 20 lakh revenue? Bah, agriculture income I also know. This is rent in kind. What is this? Rent in kind. What is this? Rent in kind. Next, what is this? Sale by cultivator. What is this? Sale by cultivator. Sale by cultivator. That's why. Read now. Start. Sale by cultivator. Yena KM. Start. Yena KM. Next. Sale by. I also can sell or not? Now you will answer my question with common sense, if any. Tell me. Use common sense and tell. First thing you told me that rent coming from a vacant agricultural land or vacant land comes under which head? Answer everyone. Answer. Super. In this B point, we are doing what activity? Agricultural activity, okay. After getting the agricultural produce, what we are doing? We are eating or you are selling? Selling actually comes under which head? Selling of something, selling of phone, selling of pen, selling of something comes under salary, house property, business, other capital gains, other source. Capital gains. In mangoes, if you sell capital gains. Mango, if you sell capital gain. What is cost of purchase? Inside seed. Out of box you will answer certain things. Sale of building, sale of land comes under capital gains. So how it is possible to answer such questions? Sir, start again. Tell me. Rent received from agricultural land. Actually, taxable, not taxable, I am not discussing. Normally, which head will take them? The answer, yeah. Very good. Next. Second case, B case, we are doing what activity? Sale activity we are doing. I am the owner, I am the cultivator, selling. Comes under point 1. Comes under point 2 is a very big story. That's why don't ask me now, I will tell you. Next, point 3 is what? Sale activity done by cultivator. Who is different from that of the owner of that land? Who is different from? Owner is one person, cultivator is another person. Owner is receiving rent in, cultivator is getting money in the form of sale. Getting the money in the form of sale of what? Agricultural product. Don't write mangoes in exam. Yarani. Example, I said mangoes. Literally, you will write an exam. Sale by cultivator or receiver of 6,000 mangoes. Marks list in the mother and mangoes will come. So, answer. Third one is income generated out of? Sir, this one is income generated out of? Sale here also. But here why they are specifically saying means there can be two sellers here. Seller 1, cultivator being a seller. Seller 2, owner who is receiving rent in kind and selling the kind. That's why they clearly said. Understood or not? Yes, sir. Understood? Yes, sir. Tell me, agriculturist can get the income only in one form, by selling the produce what he received. So, this is indirectly what activity? Sell. This is also indirectly what activity? Sell. Now you answer my question clearly. Point B, item 1 and item 3, both of them are talking about one activity. What is that activity? Loudly. Sale. And a seller activity. Correct? Normally sale of product, not properties. Sale of products comes under which head of income normally? Loudly? Loudly? Yes. So you have to remember this. Do you know why I am asking so specifically? Read the pink color content. From there you start. How it should be computed? 2-1A. You know na 2-1A means what? You only read na income revenue, rental revenue derived from land situated in India, used for agricultural purposes. Okay na? That will be actually taxed under which head? That's why procedure under head. UH means under the head IFOS, other sources. Low. Next. 2-1A. Procedure under head PGBP we have to include into that. Understood what I said now? Because sale activity is generally coming under which head of income? PGBP. That's why PGBP only will get attracted in that case. Okay? See, how it will be I will tell you. A very big story. Not just one day point or one concept. Sorry, anyway, everyone understood? 1A. Bad response. 1A. 1AB. 1AB1. 1AB2. B3. Now what we need to consider? Let us see what is this. I will mark certain things. In that sequence you have to read. Start. 1 second, everyone start properly. Start now. Agricultural income means any income derived from such land. Stop. Such land and what land? It should be a Indian agricultural land. Start again. Agricultural income means any income derived from such land by the performance of a cultivator. And income is derived from the performance. Performance of what? Performance of what? Any process. Process is performed by whom? Or by whom? Which kind of process this is? By whom? Why you are doing this process? Very, very important point out of all. Put some efforts into that. Read the point carefully. We will go into analysis. Read. Read the point, everyone. See, not that easy to understand. Listen carefully. Listen. See, agricultural produce whenever comes out, some agricultural produce from the land directly you can sell. But certain things you can't sell like that. It requires some more process to be performed on that. Hey, listen. Listen. Agricultural produces are of two types. The produce which is generated in the farmland, you can sell them directly. You know process required. Guava plant is there? Guava plant, yeah? What you will do on that? Nothing you need to do. Pluck it, sell it in the market, over. No process required. But same you can't do for paddy. Same cannot. You cannot do for paddy. Paddy, whenever it is received, first they will take it in the form of a, like, clubbing of all these things will come into one single head. Okay? They will hit it, or they will put it in the machine where the paddy grains will be separated from the total thing. Clear? Then dehusking will happen. Paddy will be in a golden brown color or not. That husk will be there, outside layer. We have to remove that. Dehusking will happen. After dehusking, brown color paddy seed will come out. Polishing will start. Clear? I will ask one question, you answer with a common sense again. Paddy grown in my field. Are you listening? Paddy grown in my field. This Pongal festival time, harvest will come. They will hit it, grains will be separated. Dehusking doesn't happen. Same as it is there. Can you cook anything out of it? Answer. Will any person buy in the market? That's the point here. Fit to be taken to market. What is it? To make the product fit for market consumption. Repeat. To make. Bad response. To make fit for market consumption. If you perform any activity on that, and from that performance of any process, if you receive any income, that income is also called as an agricultural income. Did you understand what I said? Start again. Now we need to club lot of examples into it. Tell me. We are now reading this one. Shall we? Yes, sir. Now, answer to the question. Who is he? Who is he? Who is he? Who is he? Okay. Cultivator is there. Owner is also there. Owner receives rent in kind. Owner receive? If he receive rent in money, if he receive? Loudly, if he receive? If he receive? That comes under A point. That comes under A point. Rent in kind only covered in the second one. Hello, I am talking to you. If you receive rent in? If you receive rent in, but not in, then it comes under A category. If you receive rent not in the form of cash, but received in the form of, and that kind is getting sold, from that if you get any revenue, that comes under the point B, into the third category. I am talking to everyone, answer. So till we complete, no break. You so properly listen carefully. Flow should not get affected. So start. Who is the owner? KM is the owner. What he is receiving? That kind is kept in dustbin or sold? From this what is generated? This income is? One clarity. Everyone understood? Now listen carefully. Who is this fellow? Totally, how many mangoes we produced? 6,000. In that 6,000, how many given to KM? 2,000. How many kept with cultivator? 4,000. These 4,000 are kept in dustbin or sold? 4,000 sold, each one at 50. How much? 20 lakh revenue is generated by him. Understood the point? Sorry, 2 lakh. Very sorry. How much? 2 lakh. 2 lakhs generated by this person. In that other case, he also getting some amount, say 1,20,000 something he is also generating. Other person. Listening everyone? Sir, he is generating somewhere around how many lakhs here? 1 lakh. This person is generating 2 lakh. Revenue generated. Up to here everyone understood? Yes, now listen carefully. This 1 lakh is what income? This 2 lakhs is also what income? Because what I have done? Sale of what? Agricultural produce. Automatically income will become? How much income in that way? Up to here everyone understood clearly? Now continue with the example. Please see here. Over. However, listen carefully. A or KM means cultivator or receiver of rent in kind. Cultivator or? Cultivator or? If any of these two people, they are having dehusking machine with them. They purchased. Which machine? Dehusking machine. Okay? Dehusking machine they purchased. What they will do? Anyone comes to them, they will do dehusking activity. Listening, huh? And you are farmer. You come to either KM, who is the receiver of rent in kind, or you come to A, who is the cultivator. They are having a side business. What is my side business? Dehusking of paddy. Okay? Anyone can come to me. Okay? He comes with 10 bags of paddy. Normal paddy with husk. What I will do? Loudly. I will do free of cost. I will charge something. That is also not taxable because it is also agricultural income. Understood or not? That is also which income? Why it is agricultural income? Can you please explain? Without dehusking the paddy, is it fit for market consumption? So my activity or my process, the process which receiver of rent in kind or cultivator is performing is performed specially. Ordinarily anyone will perform. That's why ordinarily employed. What employed? Tell me, paddy is there? We will remove the husk on paddy. The dehusking will be done only by some people. Everyone in India. And it's a special or ordinary? Any special performance if you do, income generate out of it will not become an agricultural income again. Are you understanding or not? Answer, sir, everyone. I will give super duper classic example. You answer me. Okay? See. He gave me paddy. Raw paddy, seed. What I will do? Dehusk it. Dehusking is ordinary activity or special activity? Polishing is an ordinary activity or special activity? Ordinary activity. Without polishing, who will eat? You will die if you eat like that. At least some amount of polishing has to be done. Or else stomach ache will come and people will die. Are you listening or not? It's a high in carbs. So people will die if they eat like that. So normally what we will do, we will polish it at least to some extent. Some people will eat brown rice. All those things are not. What do you mean by brown rice? Nothing but dehusking will be done. Polishing will not be done to the high extent. 1 layer, 2 layer polishing will be done. But polishing will be done. Understood the point? Now tell me, what performance I am doing? Dehusking activity. Process. It's a process. Okay, I am performing it. Why I am performing that? That is ordinarily employed, specially employed process. Answer. And because of employing that ordinary process, then the market key, it will be fit for consumption or for sale. Any income generated because of performing that process, if cultivator or receiver of rent in kind receives it, that income also will be called as what income? Loudly? So tell me, what are the 3 incomes they said here? One by one you tell me. In B point, what are the 3 incomes? Income derived from Indian agricultural land. Loudly. Income derived from? Indian agricultural land. By doing what? In the first point, item number 1, KM is cultivator, owner, both? Answer? Both. What is 3? Owner and cultivator both are same or different? Tell me, what is the first one? Sale. Sale by whom? Cultivator. Or sale by whom? Receiver of rent in kind. Either by cultivator or receiver of rent in kind. Of what? Produce raised or received by him. In respect of which, read, in respect of which, no process has been performed. other than the process of the nature described in paragraph 2 of this subclause. This one means I have not done any other process. I have done only one process. What is that process? You are not answering. You are just seeing me. What is the process I am carrying on? Ordinary activity or special activity? Ordinary activity was performed in order to make the commodity fit for market consumption. Make the commodity fit for market consumption. I will give good examples for understanding this. You tell me. Start. See here. Who is he? Owner. KM is the owner. A is the we are cultivating. A is KM is doing which income? A is also doing a which income? Because paddy is a bad response. Paddy is a is also doing dehusking activity for the agricultural produce. For the dehusking. From this he generated money, income. Okay. This also will become which activity? Activity. Because of that it becomes which income? Provided two conditions are satisfied. Are you listening? This process whatever I am carrying on is a ordinary process, a special process. Ordinary means who will do this? Everyone will do this, not just specially me. I am not doing it. Everyone has to do that activity. Are you listening? Next, why this ordinary process is carried on? Fit to the market use. Fit to the market use. Then only I will call it as a agricultural income. Now I will ask you a question. Please tell me. Start. What is this part? If you tell right now, okay, or else everything I will repeat from the beginning. You know about me very clearly. Okay. Tell to your juniors what I am. They will also understand. Start. What is this income? Agricultural income coming out of what? Agricultural income coming out of what? Renta, sale. Loudly. Sale of what? Agricultural? What is agricultural produce? Any activity performed or not performed? Loudly. Even then this will become what income? If any other activity is performed. If loudly. If other than the activity mentioned here, then the sale will not become agricultural income. Then the sale will not become? Not understanding that? See the screen. You will understand in a better way. Tell me. What I am having? Coffee. Loudly. Coffee. You know how the coffee seed will be? Which color? Green color it will be. They will, listen, they will strain it, remove from that, then a coffee bean will come out. Understood the point? Then a coffee bean will come. Okay? Tell me. What I have? Like a fruit, it will be in green. When it is kept in the open atmosphere, it turns into red cherry color. After that, they will remove that out layer, brown color concept will come, that's called as a coffee bean. Listening? Yes, now listen carefully. What lawmaker wanted to tell, please, or else you can't understand. KM is having a in that what is grown? Coffee. Raw coffee seed will be there, it will grow. Are you listening? There is a difference between coffee and tea. Tea ki advantage is leaf itself is consumed. Which one? Leaf. Leaf itself will be consumed there. But coffee leaf is of no use. Coffee has to give the seed. That seed will be dried in the market, then in the open atmosphere, then it turn into another color. After that they will strain it and remove the seed out of it, then the process will start. That's why coffee cost will be always higher than tea. Because the process is bigger. Bigger process is involved in coffee. Are you listening or not? Now listen carefully. Please see here. What km is growing? What km is growing? Very good. Now cultivator will be there. Owner also will be there or not? Km is whom? Owner. For my ownership, what I am receiving? Loudly. 20 lakh rupees in cash I am receiving. How much? 20 lakhs every year. Fixed. Rent will be given by that particular coffee company. There is one company. That company took my agricultural land. They said, Kaushik Mukesh, irrespective of produce, I will give you 20 lakh per annum. Now tell me, I received income in the form of what? Comes under A na, B na, C na? Loudly? Perfect. Everyone first understood the concept clearly. Hello, everyone. Yes, second example. CCD. Why you are saying like that? CCD. Cafe Coffee Day. They purchased my agricultural land. Hello? They said that we will do the cultivate. You give the land. Because this land is suited for coffee. We will take the land. Really they are doing like this only in India. With a company called as Amalgamated Coffee Bean India Limited. It's a public company. So through that company they are doing cultivation. I have land, no knowledge. You have knowledge, no land. Let us both combine and collaborate. Magics will happen. Understood the point or not? You have no brain, I have full brain. I don't know marketing, you know marketing, let's collab. Use my knowledge. Make money. Understood the point or not? So, point is, see the screen once. Cafe Coffee Day. What they will do? Cultivation. They do cultivation activity. Okay? Now listen. I have land, receiving rent, coming under A category. Coming under? They will do what activity? Cultivation activity they will do. They will do two activities. One is cultivation. Another one is grounding, roasting, drying, powdering, chicory mixing. You know na chicory? Always coffee tastes very good when they mix with chicory powder. Chicory will be in brown color, same color, almost near to coffee color it will be. Chicory is a powder which comes from tamarind. Tamarind seed is there, huh? You know tamarind seed? That seed will be roasted and they will be powdered. That's called as a chicory powder. When the chicory powder mixes with coffee, that flavor will come out, for which I am a huge fan. I can live without water, I can live without food, but I can't live without coffee. And the best place to have coffee will be Tamil Nadu. This is the best place. One motivating factor why always I will come to Tamil Nadu, especially to Coimbatore or Chennai whenever they call is, one of the reason is coffee. Obviously the first reason will be students, second reason will be the best coffee you can find in this place, and the second the best place to have coffee will be Bangalore. Because both the places I go very frequently, but the best coffee means if you have a sip, the nervous system, like the power will come, that comes when I come here. So you need not eat anything, have a sip of coffee, that's all. Nervous system will get activated. So that's because of chicory mixing into coffee. Chicory gives that energy. Come back. Main concept you will forget, exam you will write chicory. This is very nice. One motivating factor to write income tax exam is chicory mixing into coffee. See there. So now tell me, CCD is doing how many activities? How many activities? Loudly. Now listen carefully. First one, cultivation of what? Coffee. CCD cultivates coffee in the land, parent. There are 50,000 bags of coffee beans are generated. Okay? After roasting everything, how many bags? 50,000 bags of coffee beans are generated. Listening, these are sold, comes under point B. Hey. Point B, which category they will come here? Point B, 3 category it will come. Hello? Now listen. What they are doing? Answer. First one. Next. 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 All these are done. Okay? Now tell me. Can coffee be consumed without chicory mixing? 100% yes. That is strong coffee. No chicory mixing. And what you have to understand, even without chicory mixing also coffee is a saleable product. Then how can you tell that chicory mixing is an activity to make it fit for market consumption? Even without that it is consumable. Therefore, any income generated out of grounded coffee, roasted coffee, dried coffee, powdered coffee, chicory mixed coffee will not come under agriculture income. They will break that into 2 parts, agricultural income and business income. That's what we are going to discuss in the area called as agricultural and partly business income. That's why see here, growing and manufacturing of tea. Third one is a coffee. 75% will be treated as agriculture income, 25% will be treated as a business income. Because roasting is a business activity. Even though without roasting people are consuming coffee. Are you understanding the point or not? The activity of roasting, grounding, chicory mixing is all certain things which you are adding, not ordinarily employed, specially employed procedures these are. Any income generated from that activity will not be treated as an agricultural income. So did you understand my point? Tell me, what is mixed in, what, chicory is mixed with? Loudly. Coffee or coffee powder? Tell me, chicory mixed with what powder? Flashback you go, back to front, okay? Tell me, first chicory mixing is going on. Chicory is mixed with what? Coffee? First coffee powder is there, means what is there? Dried, roasted coffee came, correct or not? This came because what is there? Coffee bean is there. Coffee bean is there means what is there? Coffee seed came. Coffee seed came means what is there? Coffee plantation is there. Coffee plantation is there means what is there? Agricultural land is there. Then how can you tell that it is completely business? It has some agriculture inside it. It has some business component inside it. Government decided to partition that in this way. Do you understand the point or not? So, therefore, whenever any special activity is carried on, loudly, whenever any and ordinarily employed or specially employed. In that case, that special component will not be treated as a agricultural income. What will be treated as agricultural income? Only that part, whatever is really related to what? Agriculture, that component only will be treated as a agricultural income. See the screen and tell me, I am growing coffee in India. Case 1 you tell, I am growing coffee in India. 100 rupees I got. I did chicory mixing, grounding, roasting, everything. Hello, listening? In that, how much is agricultural income? Loudly, how much is agricultural income? How much is my business income? Loudly. Therefore, in that sale value, 75% only will be treated as a agricultural income. 25% of that 100 rupees will be treated as a non-agricultural income, which is also called as what income? Business income. Everyone understood the point clearly or not? This much he wanted to tell using this last. No process has been performed. Repeat. No process has been performed. So if you perform any activity other than the above said activity means what kind of activity is this? Other than ordinarily employed procedure, if you are putting any additional procedure, other than, from that if you get any kind of revenue, that I will not call it as a agricultural income. Okay, in that case, composite agriculture income concept will come. What income? Composite means what? Combination. Ante two incomes are there. It is seeming to be like an agriculture income, but not completely from agriculture. It has two components. Number one, agriculture. Number two, non-agriculture. Both are employed inside that. Hello, I'm talking to you. Tea. Which one? Tea. Leaves are grown? Leaves, tea leaves. Can we sell directly the tea leaves? 100% yes, are green tea. What is green tea? And separately green color it will be there. Normal tea and black day. Normal tea they will dry and roast. That's why they will turn their color, shape, everything. I will give you an example. Take normally I will get good words. If all of a sudden recording also is happening. But it happens in Telugu, no problem. Hello. So listen. What I am telling I forgot. Take a normal. Oh, hello. In some angle it is working. Hello. Hello is working. Concept is not working. Sir, listen. Tea leaves are there. Not just tea leaves. Yeah, normally any leaf you take, neem or something. Okay. Put it on a tray. Put above the fire. After 2-3 minutes, what will happen? That's why they are cursing the class. Sir, listen. Oh, hello. Hello. I'm speaking, it's not working. Sir, whenever you take a leave, take a break and come here. So let's continue. So we are reading section 2, class 1A, subclass B, item number 2 and 3. Agricultural income means any income derived from such land by the performance by cultivator or by receiver of rent in kind. Performance of what? Any process. So, in simple language, income derived from such process. Which kind of process? Ordinarily employed process. Why you are doing this? In order to render the produce fit to be taken to the market. So, in order to make it marketable, anything you do, that will be called as a process that is ordinarily employed. So, any kind of marketing expenses, volume increase, any kind of marketing expenses means any amount which is spent on marketing to make the product marketable, any process is employed for that, that will also be come under this particular category. Okay, see. What income? Any income derived from such land by So tell me, hey, please listen. Income derived from such land by way of what? Sale. Sale of what? In respect of it, no process has been performed. Process is performed or not performed? Performed. Read properly. No process has been performed other than a process of the nature described in the above point. Okay? Means the process which is mentioned in point 2 is compulsory process or optional process? You are not listening. Compulsory process or optional process? Compulsory process. Without doing that, you cannot market the product. Clear or not? So which kind of process? In order to make it marketable. In order to make it marketable. So point 2 will contain performance of such kind of activity or a process which is a compulsory process or optional process. And the compulsory process once performed, then the product will become marketable. If this process is not done, that product will not become marketable. If there is no market, no sale. If there is no sale, no income. And the agricultural income is dependent on this activity. Dependent on this activity. Therefore, this activity is a compulsory activity or optional activity? Those kind only will be treated as agricultural income. Now see here. What is this? Loudly. Sale of what? Produce. Sale of what? Produce. On that what is performed? Process. What is performed? Process. Process is of two types. Compulsory process, optional process. Compulsory process we call as ordinarily employed. Special process or other process we call as specially employed. Specially, when you employ any process, immediately this special process income will be treated as a business income, will not be treated as a agricultural income. That is what discussed in Rule 7-8. Rule 7 and 8. What is that Rule 7-8? We will discuss later. At least up here everyone understood clearly, yeah? Yes, sir. So, after spending around 2 hours time, what we understood is agricultural income means what we understood clearly. Agricultural income means the first one is a rent in cash. Rent in cash. B1. Sale of agricultural commodity by the owner who is also a cultivator. Third one. Any agricultural income derived in the form of sale. In the form of sale of what? Produce. On which no process has been performed other than the process described in paragraph 1. Paragraph 2. Tell me, process performed in paragraph 2 is a compulsory process or optional process? Compulsory process. Answer? Compulsory process. So what is there? Sale. Sale of what produce? On which what is performed? Any revenue coming out of it will be treated as what income? Second, what is there? Sale of what? On which what is performed? Along with that what is also performed? Hey, what is also performed? Now tell me, is this an agriculture income? No, not completely agriculture income. Since optional process is also employed, there is a two nature now. What is the nature? One, agricultural nature. Second one is business nature. Therefore, they will break it into how many parts? Two parts. Some part is treated as agricultural income. Some part is treated as business income. But is it very easy to break both of them? How much is agricultural, how much is business? That's why lawmaker said assume that 75% in the coffee will be treated as agriculture, 25% will be treated as business. Everyone understood the point clearly? Yes, sir. Understood everyone? Yes, Did you understand why that 75, 25, 60, 40 concept came? Why it came? Why it came? See, no, I will tell you the problem why it came. I will be an agriculturist. I will be doing coffee coffee produce. I will do some activity. Both compulsory activity, optional activity I will do. I will tell 90% is agriculture, 10% is business. How can I prove that 90 and 10? More agricultural income if I show, I will get more benefit. More non-agricultural income if I show, I will get more benefit. More agriculture, more non-agriculture. Loudly? Obviously we will do that. I will have coffee plantation. Listening, I will do roasting, grounding, everything I will do. I will tell that roasting, grounding is 5% of total. Therefore I will tell 95% is agriculture, 5% is business, 95% is exempted, 5% I will pay the tax, I will tell. Like that only people will behave or not. Therefore government said that don't do overaction. If you do any activity other than compulsory activity, by default I will consider 25% as business income. How much income? As what income? Even though really it is only 1%, I will treat it 20%. Even though it is 70%, I will treat it only 25%. Understood the point or not? Any mandatory process if you carry on, compulsory process if you carry on, ordinarily employed in that business, then that is only agricultural activity. Anything if you do over and above that, it becomes not asking, it become. So the moment you involve any process, even though without which market is still marketable, then that process I will not treat it as an agricultural process. I will take it as a non-agricultural process. That's why composite agricultural income concept came into existence. Do you understand the point or not? Yes, answer? Yes, now listen carefully. I will give you an example. You know how the cashew will come out? Cashew, yeah? Cashew, nuts. Cashew nuts. Do you know how the cashew nuts will come out? I will let me explain that. You can do after the break. Now it is okay. After the break. So listen, how cashew nuts will be prepared and sold, let me tell you. Cashew plantation will be there. Trees. In that tree they will spend around 8-9 months time. Okay? That cashew will come as a fruit. This much big it will be. Okay? This much big it will be. They will remove that. That's called as a delayering process. Delayering process. It will be like a hook shape. Like that the coffee seed will be inside. The bean will be in a hook shape. They will boil them. Heat hot water they will boil. It becomes very smooth. Spongy type it will become. Remove that. After that, from that one nut will come out. Understood? Tell me, directly can you eat the direct fruit? Person will die. That's a poison type. You cannot. Listening? After that they will boil. Will you eat that? That also you cannot eat. After that, in order to make it fit for market consumption, you have to dry it. What you have to do? Drying process you have to do. After doing drying process, then extra processes will come out. Always cashew will be of two types. Whole nut, half nut. You might have seen or not. Whole nut, half nut. You know the whole nut how it will be? Two sides will be there, left and right. Correct or not? Two shapes will be, two sides will be there. They are attached like a nut. Okay? Breaking that nut, dividing it into two parts is not ordinarily employed activity. Are you understanding or not? It comes under which activity? Specially employed activity. Because even though you don't do that, still it is marketable only. Correct or not? Sometimes what people will do, they will roast the cashew. They will roast. Sir, for example, at home if you see, when your parents, your mom is preparing any food where cashews are added, they will first put it in the oil and roast it. And then they will add. Correct or not? That is compulsory or optional? Optional. Therefore, roasting of cashew is also will not become compulsory activity. Listening? Yes, tell me. I am having business of? Cashew business is there. From that cashew business, I will get money. Correct or not? Yes, but directly cashew fruit I cannot sell. Yes, I will delayer that, boil that, bringing the seed out of it, that cashew nut will come out. I will dry it in the open air. That's it. Like that you can directly sell in the market. Listening? Now tell me, growing the cashew, doing this basic process, I will do for me and I will also do for so many others. From that, if any income comes, that will become what activity? Agricultural activity, because without this performance of this particular process, what cannot be done? Cashew will not become marketable. Cashew will not become marketable. Now tell me, next, others also are there. What I will do is, I will generally perform a process of roasting the cashew. Second thing, I will also do the breaking of cashew into two parts, as that half nut also can be saleable. Are you listening? This income what I generate from this activity, will that become agricultural income or will not become agricultural income? It will not. Both will happen, because cashew is obviously an agricultural commodity. Listening? But roasting and breaking into half nut is a business activity. In this, how much is business, how much is non-business? How much is business? Did you understand or not? In that, how much is business, how much is agricultural? For that only Rule 7, Rule 8 came into income tax. Did you understand the point clearly? So that's what we are going to discuss in the next stage. But did you at least understand no other process other than the process in the nature of paragraph 2, everyone? Paragraph 2, what is contained, which kind of process is contained? Compulsory process or optional process? Ordinarily employed process or specially employed process? Without that process, what will happen? Without that process, what will happen? Product is fit for the market, product not fit for the market. Therefore, it's a compulsory process or optional process? Any process other than compulsory process is carried on. Will it become agricultural process? Will not become an agricultural process. That comes under which head? Business or profession. Understood the point clearly? That's it. Number 1, number 2, number 3 also completed. At last, what we completed now in agricultural income definition, section number 2, class 1A, subclass A, subclass B, item 1, 2 and 3. Not yet completed. Still definition is there. Start from the beginning again. I will mark them. Read it properly. Start. Start again. Everyone in the class is not reading. Read loudly. Any income derived from such land. Which land? Such land. Which land? Such land means what? Indian agricultural land. First one, it should be a. Start again. It should be a land situated in India. Used for. Again he is using which word? Such land. See, this one already completed, this one already completed. Correct? Let's read directly C now. A, B you need not read. Start. Agricultural income means any income derived from any building. Any building. Which kind of building? Owned and occupied by the receiver of rent. Owned and occupied by? Receiver of rent or revenue from any such land. Such land na enna land? A-I-A-L. I represent? A represent? L represent? And it should be a? It should be a land used for? Situated in? If all these three conditions are satisfied, then we call it as a starter. What I received? From what? Owned and occupied by? Owned and occupied by? So there is a building owned and occupied by receiver of rent or revenue of any such land. Okay. See now. Now you will get a doubt. Sir, I am the owner. I am the owner. Loudly, sir. I am the owner. I am only not answering. Answer properly. I am the I am only occupying. Who I am? Receiver of rent. So I am the receiver of rent or revenue from any such a. So there is a building. That building is owned and occupied by receiver of rent. Okay. Or occupied by cultivator or receiver of rent in kind of any land in respect to which or the produce of which any process mentioned in paragraph 2 and 3 of subclause B is carried on. Read that first. May be complicated. Put enough time, you will definitely understand. I will explain every word in that. First read properly. Have you read? Everyone I am talking to you, have you read? Yes, if it is so easy, na, everyone will read. This is difficult one out of all. So please listen carefully. Reason why I am telling it is, see, C point starts here and ends here, correct? No, it ends here. Proviso is also there. It's a very big point which we need to understand. Always what we think, from here it started, all this we need to read, na, heart attack. But shall I tell you, that's the most easiest part. Size never matters in understanding the act. You should understand the concept properly. So listen carefully. I will explain you the logic behind. See the screen. Tell me, what is this? Agricultural land. Whenever you go by train or by bus, you will see agricultural lands on left and right side. Correct? Yes, 99%, I am not even telling 80-90%, 99%. Any agricultural farmland you see, in that farmland, one small hut will be constructed. Have you observed? Hut, small hut or a building, small thing, something they will construct. Reason is, from there they will sell to others, or there they will store their produce. Listening? Midnight, somewhere around midnight time, they will go, they will take the harvest, everything. Where to put? Open air, they can't put, na? They will have some storehouse type. They will have some dwelling house. There they will put it. He is talking about that. Understood the point or not? He is talking about that. So let us understand the point clearly. See here. What is there? What is there? Now listen first. What is this? Building. What is first one? What is this? What is this? Building. Okay, first one. Agricultural land is here. Let us say agricultural land is located 20 kilometers away from Chennai city. Okay, building is located in Chennai city, which I am using as what house? Now read. Income derived from building. Any building, building should be located in agricultural land. Any building, they said. Which one? Any building, 2-story to 3-story, they didn't say. It's a building, that's all. Walls should be there, protection of roof should be there. That's called as a building. Building means you don't imagine Burj Khalifa. Understood the point or not? Don't go into extreme imagination. Building here represents what? A structure. Walls should be there, roof should be there, protection by a door should be there. This is called as a building. That's why they did not use the word building, they use the word any building. Because people will tell, building should be constructed by cement, brick, where this is made of mud. Everything is a building. That's why they use the word any. Are you understanding or not? Yes, tell me, start. Derived from any building owned and occupied by receiver of rent or revenue in such a land. Listen now. This building is owned and also what? Occupied. Owned and loudly owned and occupied by whom? Receiver of rent. Occupied by receiver of? I will ask a question, please answer. Common sense if any. Start. If I am owning, if I am occupying, how come rent will come? Start again. If I am the owner and I am only the occupant, how rent will come? Start again. If I am the owner, if I am the occupant, how rent will come to me? See, common sense I said na, our rent is coming from land, not from building. Rent or revenue of any such a land, not from the building. Start again. What is this? What is there? Agricultural land plus what is also there? Building. Loudly. Building. From this agricultural land what I will get? Rent. What I will get? Rent. Okay. Now tell me. This building is given on renta, owned and occupied. Means renta, no renta? No rent. Loudly. No rent. Income or no income? No income. Yes, income is there. Income derived. Now the real doubts will start. Start again. I said income. I am not telling rent. There is a difference between income and rent. Start again. What is this? Income. By the receiver of the rent or revenue of any such land. Okay. Now, answer. Point number 1. See the screen properly. Understand the points clearly. Point number 1. What is derived? Income. What is derived? Income. Income from what? Building. That building is owned and occupied by receiver of rent. Receiver of rent. Or any revenue from such land. Revenue from such a land. So tell me, I gave my agricultural land to a cultivator. Agricultural land to the cultivator. That cultivator will cultivate the agricultural produce. Every year they will give me fixed rent, 20 lakh rupees they will pay. I told you one example already. They will give me 20 lakh rupee revenue. Now tell me what I am receiving from the agricultural land. Agricultural producer or renter? Rent in the form of cash. One point everyone understood. I am also having a building. I am also having a building. Others are occupying. I am only occupying. I am only occupying. Owned and occupied. If I only own and I only occupy, how come income will come? Is a question now. Doubt will come or not? Why? That's why we should read. That's why we should read the chapter called as income from house property. Income from house property. Listen, what they say in income from house property chapter. See, I have a building. I have a building. I kept it vacant throughout the year. I kept it. You should answer properly. There is a building. There is a building. I kept it vacant. How many months? Throughout the year. 12 months building vacant. No tenant. No tenant. Rent will come or will not come? Will not come. Answer. Will not come. Income will come or will not come? Loudly. Will not come. Will come. That's the point of the government. It is your mistake of not giving it on rent. If you would have given it on rent, as per the standards of that locality, you might have got some income or not. Yes, that income is taxable. What do you think of government creativity? Start again. What is? Very bad response. What is there? Building. That building is kept vacant. That building is given for rent. Loudly? Vacant. It will come or will not come? Therefore, government will use a concept called as a realizable rent. Rent. Not realized rent. They will use the word realizable rent. If you would have given it on tenancy, you might have got some revenue as per the standards of that locality or not. Sir, if I ask you in what is this place? RS Puram, if I ask, what will be the standard rent? So what is the standard rent means? You can tell, sir, in this locality, normally 1 square foot will be, say some example, 500 rupees, 600 rupees per square feet. Like that, can you tell or not? What is that 500 per square feet or 1000 rupees per square? What is that? That is a standard rent that you can generate if you would have given. Listening, everyone. Now tell me, you are owning, you are renting. Occupied by you or some other person? Very bad response. Start from the beginning again. Any income derived from building. What you have done with that building? Owned and occupied. Owned and okay. Now tell me, you have given to some other person, you are only occupying. Loudly? You are only occupying it. Okay, you are not giving it on rent to anyone. But if you would have given it on rent, if you would have given it, you did not give. If you would have given it on rent, there might be some rent that you might have generated or not. That will be deemed as your house property income. That we will discuss when we come to house property chapter. Understood? And the government intention is what? See, I will give you an example. Hey, listen please. I have a building. This building belongs to me. Say for example. Listening? What I will do is, I will enter into agreement with her for the first floor. I will enter into agreement with her for the second floor. I will enter into agreement with her for the third floor. I will enter into agreement with her for the fourth floor. How many persons? 4 persons. Loudly. 4 persons. What I entered into? Agreement. Okay, rental agreement. Okay, let us say for example, I will tell them every month rent is 50,000 per floor. How much? 50,000. It is around 5,000 square feet. Okay, 50,000. How much? 50,000 per square. 50,000 is a total rent. 5,000 square feet. Okay, 100 rupee. 50,000. Some arrangement we made. Understood? And I said that 50,000 per month each floor. Clear? I said her, do one thing. 25,000 pay in white. 25,000 give me in black. Are you listening? Same again. 25,000 in white. 25 black. Same again with her. How many persons are there? 4 tenants. Each tenant, how much I charged? 50,000. In the books, how much I have shown? 25,000. Loudly? 25,000. Now government will use, it's a smart technique. What it will do, it will check the records of Kaushik Mukesh. How much you have collected from each floor? How much? 25,000. 4 floors, 1 lakh. There is a capacity to earn 2 lakh. There is a capacity to earn. But you have given only for 1 lakh. On records, government will tell standard rent in this locality is 50,000 per floor. So, though you did not charge, pay tax on entire 50,000. Do you understand the point or not? Pay tax on entire 50,000. That's called as a standard rent. Enna rent here? Loudly? Standard. As per the Rent Control Act, okay, there is a rent called as a standard rent. Means as per the government norms, this much can be rent here. Like that they will have a standard rent. On that standard rent, they will levy the tax on you. So now tell me, though you collect, how much I collected? You are not answering. How much I collected? 2 lakh I collected. How much I collected? 2 lakhs. But how much in black? 1 lakh. How much in white? 1 lakh. What is the standard rent in the locality for the entire building? So even though I collected in black, on that black also I am paying tax now. And technically entire money is brought into the books of accounts or not? That's how. So now tell me, in my example, I am renting or owning? Occupied or given to some other? If you would have given that on rent, you would have generated some income or not? That income will be called as income derived from the building which is owned and occupied by the receiver of rent. Understood the point clearly? That's why they did not say rent derived from building. They said income derived from the building. Listening? And the actual rent, realizable income. That's called as an annual value. Section 22, 24, 25, 26, 27. We will read in the next classes. Understood? Next. Continue further. Income derived from any building owned and occupied by the receiver of rent or revenue of such land. That's the first. Second. Or occupied by the cultivator. Occupied by the? Now I am not occupying. Who is occupying? Cultivator is occupying. From that cultivator, I am receiving two rents now. What are the two rents? Rent for using the agricultural land. Rent for using the agricultural land. Rent for using the building in the Exactly when I am saying important, audio cut. Tell me, what is derived? Derived from what? Occupied by whom? Loudly? Okay. Occupied by the? So income derived from any building occupied by cultivator or receiver of rent in kind. Now tell me, occupied by same person or some other person? Loudly? Okay. See, here you can understand. I have no agricultural land. I have only building inside an agricultural land. Building inside an agricultural land. I don't have any agricultural land. I have only building. I constructed only a building inside agricultural land. Okay. For that I am receiving a rent. Now listen carefully. I don't have agricultural income directly, but the building where it is located is in agricultural farmland. Is in the agricultural farmland, which is used for the purposes of putting the agricultural commodities inside it. Correct or not? So answer to my question. I will underline certain things. Try to answer them properly. Don't get diverted. Start. What is derived? Derived from what? Building is occupied by whom? From that what I am receiving? Rent for the land, rent for using the building. Loudly. Rent for using the building. Okay. So this is the point. Everyone understood the point clearly? So this is also called as what income? Agricultural income. Okay. That's it. This is the point. So in a simple language, if you have to tell, any income derived from the building, any income in relation to such land. Which land? Don't tell such land. Such land means which land? Indian agricultural. That will also be treated as what income? Now listen. Where is agricultural land located? 20 kilometers away from Chennai. Where is my building located? In Chennai city. And the distance between both of them is how many kilometers, sir? But this building is used for any other purpose, only for the purpose of storing agricultural commodity. Even then, I will not call this as agricultural building. It should be in the immediate vicinity of the agricultural land. That's why this provided that came. Provided that is also called as what? Proviso. New batch, everyone listen. Whenever in the act you see the word provided that, you see the word provided that, it is what? Proviso. Proviso will be used for two things. either to create an exception, either to create a or to create additional conditions, or to create additional condition. Simply either to exclude something minus or to add something plus. So minus and plus to the main section will be done using what? Proviso. First, building, how it should be. Read now. Sir, from here if you don't read na, waste. Exam questions you can't answer. Read properly. The building is on or in the immediate vicinity. Vicinity, do you know what is my vicinity in English? Vicinity represents, it should be in the eyesight. Means if a person see, that should be visible. That's called as what? Immediate vicinity. And Chennai city 20 kilometers the building you can see from 20 kilometers away, na? That's why this point came. Did you understand or not? Yes, start again. What is it? 1 second. Income derived from? Building. Process apply properly. Use your mind properly. Please. What is there? Building. What is derived from that building? Income. That income will be treated as what income? Provided, okay, provided this building is on or in the immediate vicinity of the land. Okay, immediate vicinity of the land. See, sir, what is on, what is in? On is there, in is there. Whenever the prepositions are used like this, there is a matter of understanding. See here. Understand English in a proper way. Start now. What is this? Everyone, what is this? Okay. What is this? Building. Bad response, everyone. Building. Building. Now you tell me, answer. This is on the agricultural land vicinity. This is on the agricultural land. Now you tell. Now answer. It is on the agricultural land vicinity, in the land's vicinity. This is called as on. This is called as in. Understood the point clearly? So, on the agriculture, building need not be in the agriculture, need not be on the land. It may be on the land. It may be away from the land. Vicinity is important. Understood the point or not? Start now. Building is on or in the immediate vicinity of the land. Which land? Agricultural land. Continue. And is a building which the receiver of rent or revenue or cultivator or receiver of rent in kind, by reason of his connection with the land, requires as a dwelling house. Means from there they will sell directly. Dwelling means selling. Next, storehouse or other. In simple language, tell me, any building is agriculture income. Conditions have to be satisfied. Conditions have to be satisfied. Start. First one, there should be a bad response. There should be a that building should be within the immediate vicinity of what? Of what? And is a building where that person, by connection with the land, that building should have some connection with the land. Both should not be disconnected parts. Both should be having some connection. Means this land and building is having a connection. Means this building is of no use without this land. This land will produce the agricultural produce. Without that building, this produce also will become waste. There should be a connection between both of them. Both of them means whom and whom? Land and building. Both should have some connection. Understood a point? Yes, tell me first. Start again. What is there? What is there? Array, land concept we completed already. Don't go back again to the flashback. We are discussing only about building discussion now. Tell me. There is a in the or on the agricultural land or in the immediate vicinity of agricultural land. For what this purpose of building? What is the purpose of this building? This is a disconnected part, a connected part. Means without that building, produce can't be stored. Or without that produce, there is no use of that building. So both of them have some connection. And what is that connection? I wanted to use it for dwelling house or as a storehouse or as other outbuilding. Like outhouses people come, like outhouse I wanted to use it. For these three purposes it has to be used. Everyone understood the point clearly? Yeah? Yes, sir. And very, 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 very important that agricultural land must be rural agricultural land. Should not be a urban agricultural land. Okay? Where it was said. See. Start. Ara enda. I am erasing the content. Read it properly and understand. First, building is on or in the immediate vicinity of the land. Okay. And is a building. Which kind of building it is? By reason of his connection with the land, requires it as a dwelling house, storehouse or other outbuilding. Not just that. And the land is either assessed to land revenue in India. Land revenue will be charged only in rural areas, not in urban. Okay? Land revenue in India or subjected to local rates assessed and collected by officers of government as such. Or where the land is not so assessed to land revenue or local rate, it is not situated in any area which is comprised within the jurisdiction of a municipality or a cantonment board or which has a population of not less than 10,000. Now started the real trouble in understanding. Read this point clearly. 2 minutes time I will give. Don't sit idle. If I ask questions, no wrong answers expected. Read this point clearly. Provided that proviso 1 and proviso 2. 1 second, answer my question. 1 or 2 or 1 and 2 are? If both the conditions are satisfied, then only bad response. If both are satisfied, then only income derived from such a building will be treated as a agricultural income. Read. Sorry, shall I ask one question before we start with this? Tell me. There is agricultural land located in Hyderabad city. Agricultural land situated in Hyderabad city. In the city it is located. Okay? From that agricultural land I am getting revenue. Not building. From that agricultural land I am getting rent. Agricultural income or non-agricultural income? Agriculture. For the land, rural urban will not be seen. The answer, yeah. For what we will not see? Land what we will not see? Rural, urban, we don't see all those things. Any agricultural income is an agricultural income. When this rural urban problem will come? To assess the building income, rural urban concept will come, because urban areas ke standard rent, fair rent concept is there. Understood the point or not? So read it. Completed? First tell me, income derived from? Building. Income derived from? Building. Will also be treated as agricultural income. This is simple way of understanding that point number C. Okay? Income derived from? Building. Income derived from? Building. That income can be received either by the main owner or by the receiver of, or by the cultivator. Anyone it can be. See, I have a building. You are the cultivator. From you I will receive the rent on that building. Listening, huh? Yes, tell me, what land is there? Agricultural land. On that agricultural land, what is constructed? Building. Small building. Okay? Listening, huh? Yes, now what I will do? Building belongs to me. You are the cultivator. You will give 2 rents to me now. Rent 1? Land rent. Rent 2? Building rent. Listening, huh? Yes, land rent anyway becomes what income? Agriculture income, no doubt in that. A point we read that. Understood or not? Any rent or revenue received from land situated in India, used for agricultural purposes. Anyway, that will become what income? Agriculture income, no second thought on that. Now, problem is not with the land revenue. Problem is with what revenue? Building revenue, problem came. Tell me, I also have what? I gave that building also to whom? Loudly. Cultivator is paying me how many rents? 2 rents. Number 1 rent? Land rent. Land rent becomes dash income. Building rent will become what income? In that agricultural land it is there on that land. Building rent will become what rent? That depends on the conditions. Understood or not? Land ki problem hai illa. So all these provisos are applicable only for what? Building income generation. These all points will come not for the income from the land. Understood? Yes, tell me, building, we have to check whether it is a agricultural building or non-agricultural building. First thing is, we should see whether there is a connection with the agricultural land. Condition 1 checking. Condition 2 checking is, it should be used as a, very bad response, it should be used as a dwelling house or as a storehouse or at an outhouse. You have to use it. First tell me, that building should have a connection with the land. Which land? Agricultural land. Which agricultural land? Germany, Indian agricultural land. Okay, start. Point number 1. It should have, the building have some connection with the Indian agricultural land. It should be far away or immediate vicinity. Start again. It should be far away or immediate vicinity. It should be having some connection with the agricultural land. Listening? So it should be in the immediate vicinity and it should have some connection with the agricultural land. And it should be really also used as a dwelling house or as a storehouse of that products. Understood? Other than this, and next condition, that, see, simple. Either the land, not the building. The land in which the building is situated should be either assessed to local rates. Should be assessed to the, or as per the land revenue. Or as per the, very, very important. Where, continue. Where the land is not assessed to land revenue or local rates. See the distance now. Okay. Local rates. It is not situated. What is not situated? Land is not situated in any area which is comprised within the jurisdiction of a municipality. Bracket content don't read. Municipality or a cantonment board and which has a population of not less than 10,000. Sir, how to understand this? See here. I have a very good example for this. See, I am explaining about urban agricultural land. Which agricultural land? See, I am telling one more time. There is a section called as section 2 class 14 which defines the definition of capital asset. Which asset? Capital asset. Loudly. Capital asset. At that time again I won't explain all these. There also it will come. So listen one time properly. Start. Diagrammatic presentation of rural or urbana? Hey, see there, yeah? Rural or urbana? Okay, start. First one. See, from micro level go to macro. First micro level, small portion. Tell me, there is a land. Loudly. There is a land. This land is situated in a area. This land is situated in a area. This area comes within the that municipality is having area la population, they are not talking. In that municipality the population is more than or equal to 10,000, then it will be called as a urban agricultural land. Any building in that will not become rural building, that will become urban building. It will never be treated as a rural building. Therefore, income derived from that, though there is a immediate vicinity for the agricultural land, it will be still treated as a business income only, or simply I can call it as a non-agricultural income. Start again from the beginning. Tell me. Micro. There is a land. There is a land. Situated in a area. This area is within the purview of a within the purview of a simply to tell, I will give an example. GHMC is there, Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. Understood? GHMC is a municipal corporation for the city of Hyderabad. Understood? So, GHMC is a very big municipality area. Listening? In that GHMC, Hyderabad city is having around 1.5 crore population. 10,000 or more than 10,000. One locality of more than 10,000 will be there. Understood? So, almost nearing 2 crore population. Okay? That much big city, 72 kilometer city. 72 kilometer city, wherever you see people are there, around 2 crore population is there for the city of Hyderabad. Now answer my question. There is a municipality. Listening? Yes, that municipality purview, how much population should be there? More than this 10,000 you should not see for the area. You should not see for the land. You should see for the municipality. Under that municipal corporation called as GHMC, you are having a population of how much? Bad response. How much? More than or equal to 10,000. Then this land will not be treated as a rural agricultural land. I will treat it as what? Urban agricultural land. Any building inside that will not be treated as a rural agricultural building. I will treat it as a urban agricultural building. Urban agricultural buildings are not treated as a agricultural purposes. Understood the point clearly? So start. Until you give a proper answer for my satisfaction, same concept will be for full day. Tell me. Point number 1. There is a land situated in a area. That area comes within the purview of and that municipality population is more than or equal to 10,000. Then I will treat it as a urban agricultural land. Then income derived from a building inside that land. Income derived from the building in that land will be treated as agriculture income or not treated as agriculture income? Perfect. Everyone understood? This is rural or urban? You tell the rural answer now. Common sense. Reverse will become rural. Tell me. There is a reverse means land ki C don't tell. Reverse means population only should be reversed there. Remaining everything is same. Tell me. There is a land located in a coming within the purview of population is less than 10,000. That's what they said in the Bayer Act. Do you understand the point or not? Yes, sir. Understood? Yes, sir. Tell me. I paid land revenue. I paid? Land revenue. Or I paid local rates. Or I paid? Local rates. Then automatically you are rural only, because land revenue and local rates are only for rural agricultural lands in India. Is that yes, I have no land revenue. I have no land revenue collection. Second, I don't have any local rate collection. In that case, you need to check this condition. Understood? Yes, don't just nod the head. I will never believe you. Read the Bayer Act properly. Start. First point number 1. Hey, listen. Building must be within the immediate vicinity of what? Land. And that building should be in connection with the land. And it should be used as a dwelling house. Ara enda. Ara enda. Along with this condition, another condition also should be satisfied. Also should be satisfied. To call the income from the building as agricultural income. What is that condition? That land should be either assessed to land revenue or it should be subjected to local rates. If both are not there, at least it should not be situated in any area which is, remember the diagram, which is comprised within the jurisdiction of a municipality or a cantonment board, which has a population of not less than 10,000. It should not be situated in such a place. Not less than means what? More than or equal to 10,000. Understood or not? Yes, now tell me, shall I ask a question? See, you will tell yes. What is this? Building. What is this? Very good. In this building is there. Immediate vicinity used for agricultural purpose and agricultural produce ki we are putting the storehouse. Income is derived from this by the owner of the building or not? This income is whether agricultural or non-agriculture is a question now. Understood? How it will be decided? How it will be decided whether it is an agricultural income or non-agricultural income? We should see where building is located. We should see where the area in which building is located. Answer, sir. Sir, can building be constructed on sky? So building required? Doubt. Building require what? Yeah? That land is located in a? That area is coming within the jurisdiction of a? That municipality should have a population of not less than? Then it is not called as a building eligible for agricultural income. Understood the point or not? Tell me now. Start. What is this? What land? What is there? I gave this building on. From this what will come? I wanted to know whether this is a or this is what land? What is stored inside? Hey, answer. Everyone understood? Now I wanted to know whether the income derived from the rent is agricultural or non-agricultural. What we need to check now? First we do not check the building. We should first check land. Land. Okay? First we need to check about land. This land is located in a? This area is coming within the purview of a? Municipality. That municipality has a population of 6,000. Understood the point? That municipality is within the? That municipality has a population of? 6,000. Loudly? 6,000. Is the urban agricultural land or rural agricultural land? Revenue received from that building, rent received from that building for putting the storehouse, etc. That revenue will be treated as a agriculture income or non-agriculture income? Perfect. Okay? Like this, you should not think. There is another condition. Or Government of India never leave any revenue. If there is any 1 rupee which is losing, immediately they will run and catch that. Snatch, seize. See, sir, hey, listen. I'll ask a question. First try to answer this. Break I will give. Don't cry. People are already crying. Then loudly. Agricultural land should not be this big. Chota version. Now tell me. Idi enna? Idi agricultural land. This agricultural land is situated in a area. Okay? This agricultural land is situated in a area. This area is located no, this is not a municipality. This is not at all a municipality. Panchayat this is. Not a municipality. Records of corporation, it is not coming. You know Panchayat? You know na Panchayat? Villages comes under Panchayat category. Panchayat this land is not located in any municipality purview. It is located somewhere 90 kilometers away from the city of Chennai. That is not at all coming under Chennai Municipal Corp. I don't know what exactly they call Chennai Municipal Corporation. Hyderabad, I know GHMC is the name given to that. Listening, maybe Greater Chennai Municipal Corporation, maybe they can call like that. I don't know exactly, that's why I can't tell the name. So it's coming under, let us say for example, Hyderabad city has a municipal corporation, GHMC. What is the full form of GHMC? Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. In that area, if it is located, undoubtedly it is an urban agricultural land, because Hyderabad population is 1.5 crore on records, still growing. Who are we to stop? Sorry, first need to understand the example clearly, yeah? Not that example, this example. So listen now. What is this? Located in. That area is located within the Panchayata municipality. Yeah? Answer? See, Chennai is here. This area, this Panchayat is located here. And that is within municipality, not within the municipality. Now Government of India wanted to snatch the income belonging to that building. Do you know what they have done? Distance between this municipality and this Panchayat, you see the distance. See how they started torturing people. Sir, why sir government is playing like this? See, it's a super duper example. After long efforts of one full night reading that Bayer Act, I decoded that into a diagram which looks like this. Start 1 second. Read now. Left side to right side you should read, not right to left. Okay? Left side. What is this? What is this? Area. Circle, oval shape area. Square shape, our agricultural land is there. Listening, Yes, first start. Municipality is there. Box inside or outside? Outside. Inside, automatically first point will get attracted. Yes, you are falling under first box, yes sir, then don't see this. If you are not falling under the first box, you are in the Panchayat, not in the municipality limits. But government wanted to snatch that income. How they wanted to do? See the screen. Oval. In that area is coming into the purview of a municipality or Panchayat. Strictly speaking, Nyayama Pata, if you tell, that is not at all what land? Urban agricultural land. That is a rural agricultural land. Yeah, I am within Panchayat. Yes, tell me, what is this? Area. Municipality purview or Panchayat. In that what I have? Land. This land is coming in the area which is located in the municipality or not within the municipality. Perfect. However, government wanted to treat it as an urban building, urban agricultural land. What they said? They said like this. See, distance between nearest municipality. Distance between nearest municipality. Sir, my agricultural land is in Panchayat, sir. Okay, you are in Panchayat only. But is there any city near to you? Yes, sir. Which city? Hyderabad city. What is the distance? 1 kilometer. Urban agricultural land. That municipality population is loudly less than or equal to 10,000 is the first category. Second, more than 10,000, less than or equal to 1 lakh. Less than or equal to? So tell me, there is a municipality, that municipality population is more than 10,000, less than or equal to 1 lakh. Distance between this area, not the land, distance between the area in which your land is located, the borders of that particular area to the extreme borders of the municipality, distance is less than or equal to? Hey, answer. 2 kilometers means very near or far? Very near. Though you are not in municipality, you are very near to municipality. Yeah? Urban. Sir, I am in Panchayat, sir, I am not in municipality limits, sir. Then how can you call it agricultural land, sir? That's how government will treat it. What government said, you may not be in municipality, but you are near to the municipality or not. And that municipality is not a normal municipality. Yeah? Population is more than 10,000. Less than or equal to 1 lakh. And a very big municipality is located near to you. Therefore, I will call you as a Urban what? Agricultural land. Which agricultural land? Urban agricultural land vicinity, if any building is there, we will call it rural agricultural building or urban agricultural building. That income will not be treated as a agricultural income. Okay. Next. Government torture does not end there. He said, sir, municipality is around 4-5 kilometers away, sir. Which municipality? Hyderabad, sir. Population 1.5 crore, sir. Coming under second category. Distance may be not 2 kilometers, but distance is how much? 6 kilometers, but the population is more than 1 lakh, but less than or equal to 10 lakh. Such kind of moderate sizes municipality. If you are near to 6 kilometers, your land will be treated as what land? Urban agricultural land. Sir, no sir, I am around 7 kilometers away from the city, sir. But which city? Hyderabad. Population more than 10 lakh. That is also treated as a urban agricultural land only. See now, government at the end of the day, they wanted to treat the building revenue as a taxable revenue. They don't wanted to treat it as a agricultural income. Some or the other way they will do nonsense. Understood? Tell me. About building, whatever I said till now, did you understand or not? Yes, not yes. Tell first. Income is derived from? Income is derived from? Either owned and occupied by the receiver of rent from the land. Receiver of rent from the land. Receiver of rent from the land. Okay, start again. What is derived? Income. Derived from? Income derived from? By whom? By a person who is owning and occupying the same building, or he is receiving from the cultivator. He is receiving a rent. Okay? That rent received from the building will be treated as what income? Stand again. Will be treated as what income? Again and again I am asking same question, you are not giving answer. Will be treated as what income? It depends on the location. That's where the problem has started. What they said, see, that building income will be treated as agricultural income, provided that should be in the immediate vicinity of the land, and that should have some connection with the agricultural land, and it should be used only for the purposes of either used as a dwelling house or as a storehouse or as a outbuilding. Tell me. Building income will be treated as agricultural income. Building income will be treated as agricultural income when it should be within the immediate vicinity of the agricultural land. It should have some connection with the land. It should be used as a dwelling house, storehouse, or as a outhouse. And it should be assessed to land revenue or local rates, or not situated in any area within the jurisdiction of municipality or cantonment board whose population is not less than 10,000, or in any area within the distance measured aerially not being more than 2 kilometers. That's what the examples I shown. 2 kilometers, 6 kilometers, 8 kilometers. Tell me, municipality and area, how much distance? 2 kilometers. Then population of municipality should be more than 10,000. See, bigger the municipality, bigger the distance. Bigger the municipality? See, my municipality is having 50,000 population. How much? 50,000. Any place, any area within 2 kilometers, all are treated as urban areas only. Yes, sir. All are treated as? All are treated as? See, sir, logic is sometimes government, though looking as a torture, but technically speaking, I will tell you one logic. Certain things if you do as a minor is a mistake. Major it is not a mistake. In India, certain things done as a minor is a mistake, but not as a minor, not a mistake. See, 17 years, 364 days, if you do any fraud, it will not be treated, minor is not subjected to any kind of fraud, correct or not? One day after, if the same person does the same fraud, he will be subjected to liabilities. One day what is changed? Nothing is changed in one day. His mentality don't change, his attitude won't change, his lifestyle won't change. So sometimes try to understand clearly when some numbers are given, that numbers are given for some understanding purposes. Strictly you should not interpret those provisions. Understood the point or not? What is done as a minor is mistake or not a mistake. Suddenly one day after, how it will become a mistake here? One day what happened? Understood? Today 18 years completed means suddenly maturity will not come. Clear or not? That's a process. So my point is same. See, let us say for example, this is the limitation rock. Milestone rocks will be given. They will tell municipality end here. Correct? Here municipality is end. Over. 1 centimeter after I will construct a building. I will tell. Not answering. I will tell. It is not in municipality. To cover those kind of people, these provisions came. Just to escape this, you are just constructing 1 kilometer away, 1.5 kilometers. That's why they said, there is a very big municipality having 2 crore, 3 crore population. 1 kilometer away from that municipality is also a urban area or not, obviously? Yes, sir. Answer, yeah, everyone. Yes, sir. Though it is not within that municipality, you are extremely near to the municipality or not? Yes, so if the population is more than 10 lakh, 8 kilometers, anything is treated as urban area only. Listening, yes, 10 to 1 lakh, 2 kilometers is urban. 1 lakh to 10 lakh, 6 kilometers is urban. More than 10 lakh, 8 kilometers is urban. Understood? Yes, so, you might not belong to the municipality, but you are near to that municipality. How much bigger the municipality is? 10,000, 1 lakh. Anything within 2 kilometers is treated as a urban. Next. More than 10,000, less than or equal to 1 lakh, then? Sorry, first one I asked. 10,000, 1 lakh already answered. 1 lakh to 10 lakh. One municipality population is 1 lakh to 10 lakh. Any area located within 6 kilometers, east, west, north to south, any direction 6 kilometers will be treated as a answer. Urban area. If a population is 50 lakh, 70 lakh, Hyderabad city type, 1.5, 2 crore, then 8 kilometers of whatever is located, though it is not within the municipality, I will treat it as a urban area. Any building, any land located in that urban area will be treated as a urban agricultural land. Any income derived from the building which is immediately in the vicinity of such an agricultural land will be urban rental. Urban rental is never be called as a agricultural income. This is what I wanted to tell to the provision. Everyone understood the concept clearly? Yeah? This is the 100% completion of understanding the building. Okay? See here. Last point before you take a break. See. Loudly. 1.5 crore population. Okay? There is in this area I am having I should see the distance from agricultural land to municipality, area to municipality, area borders to municipality, correct? Okay. I took a bike. Road will be there, na? I went like this. Joy. Okay? Now, hey, listen, yeah, people are very creative in India. Hence the government also same. Now, 12 kilometers it is. I said, hey, distance between this point to this point is how many kilometers? 12 kilometers, which is more than 8 kilometers. Therefore, this area is what area? Rural area. This land is which land? Rural agricultural land. This building income is what income? Agricultural income. Like this, you should not think. I should not see cycle distance. I should see the aerial distance. What distance? Horizontal plane la aerial distance you should see. Aerial you will go. Are you understanding the point or not? So what they see the aerial. Government is very smart. That's why aerially you should see, not on cycle, bike, Ola cab, Rapido. Those things you should not see. You should see aerial distance. Do you know what is the problem of aerial distance? Real distance can be 30 kilometers, but aerial distance will be. I will give an example. Yeah. See, Hyderabad to Chennai. Sorry, let us say Hyderabad to Coimbatore. Hyderabad to Coimbatore distance is flight distance. I am talking 670 kilometers, something 630. I think 630 kilometers from Hyderabad city to Coimbatore. Road distance will be more than 1000. Understood? Understood? Yes, road distance is more than 1000. More than 1000. I don't know exactly. Road distance will be more than 1000. Aerial distance hardly 660 or something, because they will reach in 1 hour 10 minutes. Yesterday when I started, I reached exactly in 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay? Means aerial distance is shorter. Normal land route distance is shorter. That you have to see. Okay? Don't act smart. Take a cycle, take a bike. Sorry, I have taken 12 kilometers. So that's your problem. Now you take cycle, fly. Fly and then cycle it. Then tell the distance properly. What is the distance? That distance is called as the distance here. So we need to count how we need to count? Loudly. Which distance? Now listen. Again creativity people will use. The government is vexed with the people. Yeah. That's why they will bring all these kinds of provisions. See, sir. Aerial, sir. Aerial, sir. Like this, I can go, sir. This is 14 kilometers. When there is a chance of going like this, why you are flying like this? That's why Government of India provided an explanation saying that aerial distances you take, shortest one I will consider. What distance here? Shortest distance. Whichever is the shortest one, they will consider that distance, not any distance you want. Did you understand the point or not? So, this is what they said here. Okay? One by one, see here. Revenue derived from the land. Hey, read. Revenue derived from the land shall not include and shall be deemed never to included any income arising from the transfer of any land in item A or item B of subclause 3. Item A or item B of subclause 3 of clause 14. Clause 14. Simply tell me, what land we are talking about? Rural or urbana? Rural. Rural agricultural land, any building is located, that rent from the building is a agriculture or non-agriculture? Answer. Because that land is what land? Rural agricultural land, not land. It is rural agricultural land. There is, I told you one example, I told you one definition, section 2 class 14, capital asset. Capital gains chapter is there? Yes, loudly. Yes, to attract capital gain, you should sell capital asset. They are saying that rural agricultural land will not come under capital asset definition. So if you transfer any rural agricultural land, any income is generated, that will not be subjected to capital gain. But you need not understand this now, because anyway in the chapter capital gains, first we will start with what is a capital asset. At the time I will anyway tell this. Are you listening? Next, it is hereby declared that income derived from any building or a land referred to in subclause C arising from use of such building or land for any purpose other than agriculture should not be a agriculture. I told you one example, Reliance Smart. If you have remembered, I am using for putting agricultural produce, commercial purpose I have given on rent. Though it is in the immediate vicinity, though it is not in the purview of a municipality, though aerial distance is more than 8 kilometers, even then it will not become agricultural income, because you are not using to put it as a Simply there is no connection with the agricultural land and the building. We already discussed or not? But they have still given as explanation. Next, for the purposes of this clause, read, for the purposes of this clause, any income derived from saplings and seedlings grown in a nursery shall be deemed to be agricultural. Listen, Hyderabad city there is a nursery. What is it? You know nursery? Nursery means a place where artificially they grow the flowers, seeds, plants, etc. It's called as a artificial or natural? Artificial. Really it's not, please listen, really it's not an agricultural land. We will create atmosphere as if it is a agricultural land. Listening? Nursery is agricultural land or non-agricultural? Answer. Non-agricultural. But government wanted to develop nurseries in India. Therefore they said agriculture, nursery place is a agricultural land or non-agricultural. But I wanted to deem it as a agricultural land. That's why any income derived from saplings and seedlings grown in a nursery shall be deemed to be an agricultural income, because really they are not agriculture. And finally, population, sir, population 10 lakh, 1 lakh, 5 lakh something you said. When I should see, sir, 10 years back or today na? That's why they said last preceding census. Last check when the census was taken, latest census. Sir, it was taken in 2022. That census you have to take. See, you are given with the two data. 2022 census, 2019 census. Which you will take? 2022. Latest or older? Latest census you have to take. Last preceding census. Understood? That's it. Mahata prayasena bhagavat krupaya we have completed disti. Mahata prayasena bhagavat krupaya we have completed one very big definition. What is the definition we have completed? Section 2, class 1A, agricultural income definition is completed. Okay. So, successfully 3 hours 20 minutes we have taken to complete one definition called as agricultural income. Take a break and come.